Bonsoir. J'arrive au bon moment, à ce qui paraît. C'est terrifiant, ça. Terrifiant. On arrive sur un match de français. Déjà, je suis là à 1h du mat. Et c'est assez rare pour le mentionner. Bon. Ouais, chef, ça live vraiment à n'importe quelle heure. Alors, si vous voulez la data, plus exactement, je viens de sortir du taf. Genre, je viens littéralement de sortir du taf. Euh... je- C'est assez marrant. Genre, c'est vraiment marrant de fou. Oh, on se retrouve avec une rune entre français, genre. C'est quoi ça?
I'm not sure if he himself has been there, but he certainly has celebrated duels as well. But this
The
we
fuck?
don't have this every day. This is really cool that we got to spot this out.
Oh yeah, 100%. And as I mentioned, Damien is playing Bestial Malice, which has been a
La
tear on
France.
the format for so long, but with the recent changes to the FNL list, putting Dormouse to 1 and forbidding Splash Mage, a lot of duelists kind of put it aside because it's a lot more vulnerable now.
Damien, on le rappelle, il a pas joué depuis le championnat du monde. Hein.
That could be really tough to kind of fight through and still establish your big Cypress plays.
True, but
Non.
what's really interesting is as Malice
Les refs.
exits the format, we do see
Il y a
a
quoi
drop
d'intéressant à
in things
Anaheim,
like
du coup?
Artifact Lancia and weird increases in things like Dimension Shifter. We saw Dimensional Fissure on the featured match stage earlier. So it's almost like this is the perfect time to play Malice because nobody is expecting it.
Yeah, you're kind of right. Like, some people could see it as like, oh, Mouse's time is over, but Damien's like, no, their time is now. No one's going to be expecting this. And he's currently undefeated, so it's been going well so far.
Yeah, but so is Ryan, so it'll be neat to see what happens here. So there's gonna wait for the die roll on stream here, but believe they're ready.
C'est quand même marrant, genre les deux ils font.
Jersey is such a
Ils font un peu plus de 3000 bornes et ils se retrouvent à jouer l'un contre l'autre. Yo, Solux.
No,
Cool,
I
c'est
am
gentil.
him. Well, we'll find out who wins this duel as we enter game 1 of our round 6 featured match.
Both players have drawn their opening hands, but I believe they still need to decide who's going first. So here's the fated dice roll. We have at least a 6 from Damien. I believe it's a total of 8 for him. And we've got at least a 4 there. Yep. So that means Damien will have the choice, and I think he's choosing to go first. Oh, that's so cute. They said let's go and...
Bridge Cannon, il en mis, c'était intéressant.
Well,
Ah ouais?
we'll keep it here in English, but it is so good to see so many international duels. We all speak another language. It's Yu-Gi-Oh!
That's right. Oh, you're so right. I don't care if the person is across from me is blind, knows only Chinese and no English. We can communicate through cards.
Well, speaking of communicating through cards, let's let the cards do the talking as Damien starts.
Ils sont obligés de parler en anglais?
Drawing two and banishing
Oh.
Dormouse.
That's the only one he's got, but it's the only one he's gonna need, baby. Pay 300 life points, summon, and then anything on resolution?
Well, French champion privilege right there. Gonna banish. Wow, no response.
Yep, just use the effect here and banish another Malice name from the deck to the banishment. It looks like we're targeting White Rabbit. Oh, I love these cards so much. Forgive me for being giddy. I can't play
Putain,
these
j'en
in
peux plus de voir du
Genesis
Malice.
because
Je vais
they're
pas vous
link
mentir.
deck.
I mean, you still could. You could just use United We Stand after getting all these level 3 bodies on the
That'd
field
be-
and run like gravity binds.
That'd be epic. But here we see the White Rabbit being summoned by paying 300 life points and using its effect on summon to search
Honnêtement,
for
Malice,
the
j'en peux
spell
plus.
trap and sending it. We're gonna
Je
do
comprends
the
les gens qui sont encore dessus, mais
That is the essential reborn for the deck.
And there's the Molcharmi Fualas that Ryan was holding on to, trying not to reveal to his opponent that he had that, and now we know it's good. Oh, called by the grave, never mind.
Oh my goodness, that French call by the grave coming down with the swiftness to banish the Fulos and now negate all
that
Molcharmi's
French
blessings.
called by the grave.
That is incredible to see because the reason why Raihan raided to use that was because now Damien was forced into going to a Link Summon, otherwise he'd be doing nothing else for the rest of the turn.
Well, let's see if he decides to keep things going. Yep, with the backup adding Mister being summoned to the field.
Yeah, this is just
Il avait le
the opposite
backup en
of
main?
backup. Not normally the way you see this card, you usually see it as a special from the hand when you have a Link in play, but you can get value out of it just by normal summon.
Ouais, le deck il est pas mort, il est juste mon consistant. Oh, mais je suis tout à fait d'accord. J'ai pas dit qu'il était mort. J'ai dit que ça me saoulait de le voir. Alors que c'est Choco Choco qui lui a dit son boss. C'est bien vrai ça.
Well, you mentioned Ibiro. I do think I saw in Ryan's hand there, so we're gonna go ahead and link 3. This will be the
J'ai pas vu ce qu'il a pris avec backup.
Ah
non, t'as pris chez tu laisses carte.
I think other players would, but you gotta keep in mind that a lot of the really good extenders like Splash Mage and Link Decoder are forbidden for a reason.
Well, I do feel like if you've been to the World Champion or Championship, you probably
La France
have
me
some
connaît
good
pas,
plays
France.
under your belt, so we activate Malice
Merci,
in the
Romain.
background, gonna
Bon,
banish a
il a grimpé le subscore, lui.
Malice card here, and this time it's Malice in the Mirror.
Yeah, so here we get access to the two
Le bon
powerful
subscore là.
powers just by going through Red
Envie de
Rainbow.
crever.
And we're going to be using the effect of Mouse in the Mirror to banish the copy of Chessy Cat that we sent off of the backup.
En 25 subs, je me fais rose par mon équipe. Sachez-le.
same type of card as
Ouais.
Chessy Cat. That's how Malice in the Mirror works.
On emmène la Chessy, on a Tutolar et fait Chessy.
Furiously going down, but don't worry, they'll go back up as soon as you can say GWC06.
And I guess the question is, what is Damien kind of building toward?
T'arrives pas genre tous les jours. Ouais, mais là je pourrais pas leur répondre. Et là la différence. Je pourrais pas leur répondre et en plus ça sera en live.
You can also just use in-arc type stuff like Card Scriptor and the GWC06 to have plenty of ways to interact with your opponent on their turn with non-target banishes.
Even a Firewall Dragon in this format would be pretty strong because we know how good Draco Tail is, because Draco Tail Arthalion being able to just sort of recur resources from graveyards or return cards on the field back to the hand. And we're getting a little closer to that as we bring out Cyburst Wicked, which does have that arrow pointing down, but it's more than that. It is protection for all these cool Cyburst cards, so we'll see how Damien establishes his field.
Yeah, you can also get him access to like another backup Agnister if he wants it for follow-up, which could be pretty interesting.
C'est quoi le bon timing de Nib là?
March Hare gonna go ahead and banish itself to summon. This is actually a quick effect that he could have saved for Ryan's turn, but is choosing to use it now. We're gonna be getting rid of the red ransom here to try to summon it back out and get an additional banish this turn. I believe we done.
Genre le meilleur moment c'est au moment où le Wizard dit la proc.
So depending on what Cyber's monster he wants to banish, could be later. There we see the Wicked using its effect because the March Hare was summoned to his own at points to go ahead and search for that backup like I said. And then we see Chainlink 1 for the ransom, paying 900 to summon itself out and banish another Cyber's from our deck.
Ouais, c'est ça. Je vais rien bannir.
Life points getting
Yes.
low, but cards heating right
Ouais.
up.
If we see a Dotscaper right now, I'm gonna go crazy. Okay, we do not get the banish of Red Ransom from the deck because, like I said, Damien's gone through all the really important names already.
Ouais, je pense que le moins pire c'est de la reborn dans Ransom.
That's gonna be White Binder. This card on summon will allow him to potentially banish 3
Mais en fait là le problème c'est qu'il a la trappe pour toujours avoir sa...
I think he's gonna maybe choose to save that effect.
Faire l'effet pour poser maintenant, bah ouais.
The ignition effect to go ahead and set a
Damien il
mouse
joue trop bien, c'est affolant.
That's gonna be the MTPO7 already setting it down, meaning we need a little bit less work on Ryan's turn to start getting some more interaction.
Well, Damien locked in. You can see Ryan just kind of rubbing his beard there, thinking, man, that is a lot of monsters I'm going to have
Après on
to
me
press
rappelle,
through.
genre Ryan il passe en stream,
Ooh, but here we
du
see
coup on a
Judas
peut-être la
coming
malédiction
down
là.
now. This could be in a bit of a trouble here for Damien because if Ryan does have access to Nibiru, basically without access to GWC06 again through White Binder, it's harder to play around that card if you're Damien.
And
So we could see a big punish
after
here.
this.
If that is a card that's in
Oh,
Ryan's hand. Yep, so there we see the pay 900 of White Binder to summon itself back out.
Ils sont obligés de,
Card.
de répondre au
65.
notre juge.
Yeah.
Yep, so we have a total of 65 life points because we do gain life points back like GWC06, like you said, Steven,
Ouais,
because
ouais,
we
c'est
did
bon.
control the Red Ransom when Chessy Cat was summoned back.
Ça me fume.
And now we're going to banish the Red Ransom using White Binder's on summon effect that we saved earlier. This is interesting.
Ooh,
Oh la vache.
goodness, just reaching and reaching and reaching in the deck.
I think he's drawn 6 cards this turn just by drawing them with extra cards. Is that a 8-9 card hand or something if you're Damien?
I definitely saw some good stuff in there. I think an Infinite Impermanence as well as an Ash Blossom Majora's Spring, but this has got to be the
Le prendre
Allied
là.
Chakra-Ratic Mystery thing.
Yeah, that's a Link 5.
Oh no, it is just going to be Link 3 Heart Scriptor.
Yeah, he's really valuing the double non-target banish that MTPO7 gives him, as well as Heart Scriptor.
Well, here comes the Wizard Addict.
Il va le prendre là.
Oh, you know what? He's going to make it this way. So he's going to use these 3 monsters to make Allied Kotalker, and that way he can summon back the Heart Scriptor and have it be co-linked with the Allied Kotalker.
Oh wow, this is going to be a lot on the field all at once.
Oh,
You get the
c'est vrai
Icon
qu'il le joue pas le Hakon lui.
I believe Allied Kotalker needs at least 3 monsters, right? Or does it need...
J'aime bien, on entend les bons français de base, c'est la rend de fou. Ça lance des streams à 2h du soir, y'a rien qui va, c'est une folie. Bonsoir, et yo Alex, comment tu vas? Mais en fait, le truc, c'est que je viens de sortir du taf. Genre, je viens littéralement de sortir du travail, genre...
Did he go too far in?
Yeah, I am curious to see what he was maybe trying to set up. But Raihan picking the perfect moment, I think the patience of waiting to use this card when you knew almost all the resources were depleted is super huge. Because he knew that, oh, you must have Wizard in hand, so using it now, just, you have ways to get all your stuff back anyway.
Shows exceptional understanding of Malice combo lines, knowing exactly when my opponent is done playing their cards. So we're going to go ahead and see the YCS token there. Thank you, judges.
Il a combien? 0 def? Ouais, 0 def.
I believe this token has 0 defense points because 2 Link monsters were sent to the graveyard.
Toujours en range.
Le timing est horrible.
It must be so nice
Mais
for
va sur
these
français.
fine gentlemen to be able to
Soit de
converse
l'autre.
in their native language
Ah,
on
ok.
top of just being able to play you
Ça
in the
va.
featured match stage. Obviously, we're here, we speak
Le timing est horrible. Mais en fait, il a pas eu
many
d'autres
listeners
timings
here
avant,
for
tu
fun.
vois.
It's probably good to hear a little of them.
Mais le truc, c'est que tu sais que la W6, elle est pas là.
no
Oh
problem.
yeah.
Après, peut-être qu'il en a
I
une
guess the question
deuxième.
I
Et
have
là,
on
s'il en a
is,
une
do
deuxième,
I have
mec.
a way to banish my Malice Link monsters in the graveyard with like a Bestial or something? And the answer is yes, I do.
Aha.
So even though we got Nibiru'd, all of our resources are still in the graveyard, which means we have access to them at any point using cards like our Bestial. So we're gonna go ahead and banish that White Binder. It'll summon itself back out, and then we're gonna use its effect to banish the rest of our cards.
Je peux piocher?
Now we are kind of jumping the gun. We would love to save these kinds of cards for when, you know, Ryan starts coming to the board to kind of punish him for doing so, but we need to be set up again if we're Damien, because if we don't have Malice Link 3s in play, MTPO7 is basically a useless card.
You know, I don't want to say he's lucky to be alive. That would be underselling his level of skill, but he is finding a way to build that field back already.
Vraiment, Damien, c'est effrayant comment il joue bien son deck.
5 link materials right there, although tokens usually aren't that helpful in link summon.
Not anymore, they're not, yeah.
Tu
So there we see just the banishment of the Heart Scripter, paying
1004.
another 900 life points. I believe that's going to bring us down to either 47.
Yeah, 4-4.
Yeah,
Ah ouais, 5006,
47 and then 44 with the March Hare adding itself back to hand as well. Okay.
Those who are seeing
Ouais.
Malice for the first time are like, why is he depleting his own life points? Believe you me.
Tu viens regarder le YCS toi aussi?
So there we see the Rahu
Gros
Drake.
chat, là.
Now Damien knows what deck Ryan is playing, and he can now use his interaction accordingly. I'm not quite sure how well these decks line up into each other. I do know that cards like Mysterion
Chat!
can do really well.
J'aurais dû essayer Malice dans ce monde sans CA.
But there we see the Ash Blossom on that Rahu.
Bah, tu peux toujours, hein.
It's pretty big if that was the only way that Raihan had to fusion
Ah,
summon
par
this
contre,
turn.
non, pas des griffes là-dessus.
And there it
oh,
is!
wow.
The concession from Ryan. So, yeah, Damien there just doing a pretty much full Malice.
Ah,
combo,
d'ailleurs,
even to things like Fua and Nibiru. It
on
shows
devrait,
Ryan's
on devrait
champion. And
incessamment
now
sous
we're
peu,
gonna suggest, is Malice a good call for this event? How much
attends.
more prepared are people like Ryan in game 2 and 3 for cards like Malice? We might not have any ways to interact with this deck anymore.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but
Tuk, tuk,
even at the international stage, Malice has yet to
J'étais en train de vous dire,
That is very true. Odeon,
j'ai quasi fini le setup remote.
YCS before Malice ever did.
Those are words I never thought I would
Ça va
hear
avoir de la
said out
gueule,
loud,
je suis
but it is
content.
the truth.
Ça va vraiment avoir de la
It is gonna
gueule.
be Malice's event then, and maybe
Je dois encore
Damien
commander
will
2-3
pile on it,
trucs.
but let's not sell Raihan short.
Mais,
He still has plenty of time to run it back, and we know how powerful
mais ça va être
Dragon
propre.
Tail is.
Ça va être propre, très très
I've
propre.
always been a big fan in card games of not trying to find the best deck
Ok.
and like period. Like let's find the best deck for a tournament. Like there is a perfect deck that can line up really well into all the potential
Mais
matchups you may or may not
Normalement,
have. And that's the
pas
deck you wanna
normalement,
play
c'est même
during
sûr.
the tournament. And Damien might have made the call in Malice. Like that was
J'ai réussi à faire en sorte que vous ayez une cam qui vous donne toujours accès à ma main. Donc vous allez toujours voir ma main,
What I love
whatever
about
happen.
this is this may be an everyday thing for people watching from the European community of Yu-Gi-Oh fans, but this
Et en
is
fait, ça me
also a
permettra de
introduction
checker les
into
replays
different philosophies
pour pouvoir faire de l'analyse de game derrière.
or, just like you said, picking a deck for a certain
Ouais, c'est
time.
l'open.
Because with Dimension Shifter at 1, you know, a lot of people aren't even thinking about the banishment, and so many people have dropped Artifact Lancia from their side deck, but maybe they are wrong, and maybe Damien is here to show them, but we'll see what kind of interesting side deck cards we end up seeing.
Right, because we've been seeing all
Et il y a
kinds
même
of
un monde
crazy
où,
things this weekend, like Dimensional Fissure,
en gros, le
Dimensional
vendredi,
Barrier, ways to put cards
il y a,
into banishment. But if
comment
you're
dire,
Malice, you're like, oh, thank
il y
you
a un
for
bar
doing
qui
my job
organise un
for
peu
me.
des, enfin qui
Now,
organise
here's
des
something, I
soirées
wonder if,
Yugi.
either of these
Alors je
players
sais que les
played
mecs
in
jouent
YCS
pas
Little France
extrêmement
last week,
méta.
right? That was their training ground, and this is their
L'objectif pour
actual
l'open,
tournament to
top.
win.
Right, they could be taking the
Je veux un
call of,
top.
well, if this is going to be like Lil was, I think I know how I'm going to line my decks up against these matchups.
Hmm.
Well, I am very curious to see how this turns out, but both duelists just again very locked in.
Faire le plus de photos, quel bâtard.
Again, it is such a flex to just be like, yep, wearing my World Championship jersey. I mean, even the World
big deal.
Champion wasn't wearing his World Championship jersey.
He would
Je veux un top.
Deck box, though, which
Et
That's true.
is pretty
si je
nice.
peux, si je peux faire un petit peu de
The dream.
prétention, mais
Well, I guess we'll see who
j'y
wins
crois
the
absolument pas.
2026 stage. But right now,
Je veux gagner un deuxième trophée juste pour pouvoir casser les couilles encore plus à mon équipe.
with Damien up the game, well, we'll see what happens next. But Ryan looking out to the crowd, little smile. That's good. That's good. He's been so serious, so forlorn this duel, but it's nice to see that he's still present in the moment.
Yeah,
Oui,
I mean,
bon.
Ryan's still no slouch. He's undefeated right now. We're going into round 6. He's playing Branded Dracotail, one of the most powerful decks in this format, and now he's going first. He's got all the confidence in the world, I bet. He knows what he needs to do right now to win and take this 2-1 victory over Damien. Who cares who's across? Who cares what jersey he's wearing? He's a duelist just like I am.
We did see that earlier with Julien Cajon.
Il veut de quelle couleur ton dragon aussi?
There is no such thing as
Bleu,
the fact
si
that you won in
possible.
the prior tournament means you're going to win at this. Every duel counts. So I'm I'm excited to see this, and you're right, Draco Tail has a lot of points of interaction, so he probably can establish a great...
Donc ouais, je vous disais, je pense que le vendredi, je vais aller jouer en physique dans le local. Et s'il y a des decks qui sont à peu près méta, je pense que je filmerai mes games, juste pour m'assurer de faire les bons combos et tout ça, et de faire des reviews en live.
One duel at a time. Let's see what our players have in store for us.
So I believe we heard Ryan say that he was proudly going first as they draw their opening hands here. And let's see how we start off.
Ça, c'est un des rares trucs qui est vraiment mieux qu'en
Oh, that's different.
qu'en Europe. Le fait qu'on puisse entendre les joueurs, c'est vraiment trop bien.
It's an extra monster you can have in your hand to use as fodder for your fusion summons. And my favorite interaction in all of Draco Tail is the ability to, like, thanks to Arthalion, transmute your monsters that aren't Draco Tails into Draco Tails from your graveyard.
Well, he definitely has the key to victory there, but let's see what he activates next. I think I might see a normal summon a Malulu here, actually.
That's actually a really good...
Oh,
whoa!
Wesh.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Even the French champion is taken
That
aback
is
by
Dark
End
End
Evaporation Dragon.
Même du sommeil, bonne nuit chef, force à vous pour le like. Merci Philo, des bisous.
We have to remember. So having access to these really different attributed dragons that are different levels, different attack points are really important because they unlock things like your branded fusions like Titaniclad, like Lumelion, etc., etc.
It's very powerful there, and it's nice to see. We've seen a lot of branded Draco Tail, even on the feature match stage throughout this tournament, but this feels even more branded, right? It's really trying to get this stuff out.
J'aime pas ce qu'il fait ce dragon.
So here we see the Evaporation Dragon's effect here. We're looking at our extra deck to pay for the cost. We're going to be banishing the Titaniclad.
Oh, c'est l'Evaporation.
To go ahead and I believe summon this card to the field. Oh, actually no, I believe it's a summoning condition, not an effect. And now the effect on summon lets me search for a dragon. I believe.
Now he's got to think about that. Damien paused for thought there, trying to think of which point of interaction from his hand he wants to activate next.
Yeah, this was a really cool set of cards. The Dark End Dragon and the Light End Dragon that came out. I believe it was like they were commons in, I want to say Rise of the Duelist maybe.
A little bit more recent than that. I think Legacy of Destruction.
I think you're right. I think you're right. Yeah, yeah.
But hey, I don't care where they came from. The fact that they're out here is, it's neat. It's definitely a little bit of a soft chaz it up.
Alright, so here we see the Demolition Dragon's effect here to go ahead and summon out the Arthalion. And because we use two monsters from the hand to summon this Arthalion, we're going to go ahead and bring out the Fenrir and the Thymina. Oh, that's what the Dark End.
C'est une pseudo cartésienne donc quick qui a l'avantage de pas prendre maintenant aussi.
That's where it's cool. It's like another way to fuse in the deck.
And we're seeing that these monsters who are able to enable fusion.
Et en plus Ralil il le jouait dans son deck. Genre on en a parlé sur le on fait le point. Et il en a parlé.
But there's a lot of chat in the community about, like, does Blazing Cartesia work? Does it push the deck over the edge, etc.? Honestly, Dark End Evaporation Dragon doing a lot of the same work, and it is a big body there, so maybe we'll see an Xyz summon later in the turn, too. Although I think it fusion locks here, but it's still a big,
I don't think the Demolition Dragon does. I know Mululu does. So there we added back our two monsters. We basically just got a free Arthalion out there. We love to see that, and we now have a known Thymina in hand. But
and you just have Kashira Fenrir in defense mode. That's still good.
So it looks like we're going for a Link summon here into Spheres, if I had to guess.
Yeah, two dragons.
Oh.
Yeah, that works. And that puts the Arthalion in the grave, so that way when you fusion summon during your opponent's turn, it can come back and be an extra big body.
Like we are going to activate Rahu.
That's Ketu.
Oh, Ketu, excuse me.
And there we see the Impulse, because it does include the effect to summon a monster, even though he's not fusion summoning with it, it does still get negated by Impulse.
Ouais, ça
Oh,
arrange.
and there we see the concession from Damien. He's like a Fenrir, because Banishing Face Down is not the same as Banishing Face Up. And then we have the Spheres, and we have the known Gulama that's going to be coming out, plus a Thymina in hand. Damien's like, I can't play through all that.
En vrai c'est pas étonnant qu'il skip maintenant. Genre,
Oh my goodness gracious.
Yeah, very similar rounds, or excuse me, duels that we had here. You know, first duel, everything comes up Damien's way. Raihan's just like, I can't do this anymore. Same thing from Damien here, so we haven't really got to see them trade blows. They almost are just doing like a combo style contest, right?
Yeah.
Check this out. No, check this out. And we see how these duelists got up here undefeated.
Est-ce que Ryan il va casser sa malédiction du live?
There's 33 minutes left on the clock and counting, so we're definitely going to get to see this go the distance. But one of these two duelists is going to make it. I really can't predict which one.
No, because, well, now we're going to have potentially any kind of side deck options available to Ryan for going second against Malice. But like we've been saying, Malice might be in a really good place right now.
Ouais, ce serait cool.
Lancia might not be making the cut in most people's
Ça
side
serait
decks.
cool qu'il arrive à briser sa malédiction parce qu'on le rappelle, mais Ryan,
You don't really
Ryan
have
quand il est
a
en live,
lot of power with
c'est pas
Artifact
ça.
Lancia,
Hein.
right? Because in previous formats, it was very, very strong and
Ah
sometimes
non,
got
mec,
crossfire,
après sa window
very
ICS,
strong,
il a eu
sort of victimized
énormément de
Artifact as
merde en
well.
live. Genre,
And even the Mento, you know, you had that, but there's most of those decks. I don't want to say they're rotate out of the format. I don't want to insult any of the duelists still playing that deck because they are still very strong,
Yeah.
but they're not as popular as they used to be. And so for that reason, you're like,
C'est-
I don't really Lancias. That's just extra space. And well, maybe you need the Artifact Lancias after all.
Yes, I will say though, if there's any deck that probably could break the board of Malice going second with just engine cards, it's the Draco Tail deck.
Oh yeah,
Things like Ketchu and Rahu are so good into established boards.
Just another day for Damien as he looks out to the crowd there for a moment. Just not sure what he might be thinking, but he is not nervous up here. Just very casual.
Oh, le
very
gros
calm.
chat là.
This is not his first game 3, and it definitely will not be his last game 3.
Amen to that.
Je sais pas si vous la voyez là sur l'écran, mais
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, and I was going to say, like, he knows, oh, I
No.
can go first in this game 3. That is where Malice lives. It is one of the most powerful
Oui.
turn 1 decks I've ever seen in my
gros
life.
chat là.
It is certainly
Terrifiant.
crazy. And all of this done without Splash Mage
Yes.
and with one
Le
Dormouse.
film.
Yes. But when you hard open the Dormouse like Damien does,
Yeah,
it's
that's
a little
different.
bit different. It's a little bit different. It may as well have been at 5 copies. What difference does it make to him?
Just must be nice. We'll see if he is able to draw into that so powerful card on this third duel here.
If he
No.
opens it again, it's the World's Jersey. The aura, it
On va voir
helps
ce que
you
ça va
defeat
donner.
your opponent.
That's nice too. That you're not doing anything bad to your opponent. You're
Yeah.
you just are that good. Look at that
Yeah.
crossed arms.
He's like, I'm ready. It's go time.
He's posing for his picture practically. But we are loaded up here, ready to duel, so let's get it done. Game 3, may the best duelist win.
Round 6, we have Damien proudly declaring he's
That's
going
good.
first, pointing at himself with his own hand. We have the opening hands here.
Trop phase. What? T'as envoyé main.
So we go straight into main phase. There we see the Perulia, so we're not going to be going straight to main phase here.
Thing.
So any normal summons will be interacted with.
So I see kind of a little bit of a stunted hand there, but he does at least have something he can use. So we're going to start off with Malice White Rabbit, giving a draw there from the Molcharmi Perulia.
Yeah, Perulia is not the best Molcharmi into Malice because they can get away with only giving you probably 1 draw at the most. But it could draw you into the other cards like Nibiru, like...
En vrai, la purée, elle est pas si mauvaise que ça, vu qu'il joue une version bestiale.
But think about the fact that this is not
Vas-y.
yesterday's Malice, it's today's
Moi, il va le
Malice,
buff
so by
sympa.
having those Bystials, unfortunately, that does mean that you are going to summon more cards from the hand. So you
Un
have
peu
some
claqué,
time. Am I gonna
dans le
try to
sens
go
où,
now or later?
Je finis le taf à 1h du mat et on enchaîne avec le OIC scénario.
He knows Molcharmi, Perulia, and Pulos is going to be way too much for him to keep one.
Ça tire un peu,
Can't
je vais pas mentir.
guarantee go to a game 4.
No, you cannot.
Can you imagine first to 5?
Actually, I could predict
Et c'est
like,
important, c'est
like
important.
maybe, like, the finals or something.
Well, we'll see what Yu-Gi-Oh looks like 10 years from now, but right now it looks like Damien is deciding whether or not he wants to push further. He does consider briefly, maybe not.
There we see the field spell. So I think I saw a Bestial in his hand. He was like, okay, what extender do I want to use? But like you're saying, he's probably priced into not playing into the Perulia as much as possible. So there we see the Underground banishing the only Dormouse that's in his deck, paying 300 and summoning to the field. Will this be stopped on summon?
Après, ça va, c'est Damien. Genre, c'est pas n'importe qui sur ma liste non plus.
I love seeing a talented duelist like Damien play a deck that recently had multiple hits on the Forbidden Limited
Yeah.
list. Some of my favorite decks are the ones like Snake Eyes and Tear Lament, where all the power cards were put to 1, and duelists are still like, no, I can play this, it's fine.
We'll make it work.
Speaking of making it work, we see the banishment there, Malice P. Chessy Cat, and then pay another 300 to bring it back.
Do we have a Malice card in hand to banish and draw 2? We do not. We're going straight for this Link 3 here.
C'est qui déjà Damien, un homme, je crois.
We've already
Bah, c'est
got
personne à côté de Choco Choco, quoi.
a bit less great to go for here. This could be straight into Heart Scripter maybe, but no, we're going to go for the ransom and we get access to Malice in the Mirror as a potential form of interaction.
You got to use something because think about all those monster effects that do activate on the field, right? You don't want to let your opponent get the Draco Tail Lucaeus. You don't want them to get the Malulu, so that could help.
Yep, and there we see the Jubiciio 6 being used automatically here. This does kind of play into Nibiru a bit more than some of our other lines, but I feel like Damien's kind of forced to do this without giving Ryan any more cards.
6005.
Just have to bravely charge ahead and just say, what, Nibiru?
And here we see the March Hare being banished, paying another 300. That brings us, I believe, to all the names used plus Red Ransom.
No way.
Yep, so that's a total of 18. Oh, we haven't used White Rabbit yet. We haven't used White Rabbit very, very particularly.
And he fans out his graveyard. Looks like he is going to go
No,
ahead
no,
and banish.
Using the
Mouse
Chelsea Cats
Limit.
effect. Yeah.
What a great way to do that, just to search that field spell and not even, or excuse me, spell card and not even use it for its intended purpose, just use it as a way to keep things going.
Yep, so there we see the Mouse and Mirrors effect when it's banished. To banish a mouse card from our graveyard, we're banishing a monster here to be able to search for another monster. We're going to get another copy of March.
La vérité, c'est que voir Damien jouer sur Malice, c'est trop agréable.
T'as 2 arrêts là.
Ouais.
Ok.
4 en main,
Just asking a question here maybe about how many effects or names have been used so far. I believe the only one that hasn't been used in terms of its banish effect is White Rabbit.
Yeah, so 4 names used so far. I caught a Catra in the middle of there.
Nice.
Je parle français assez bien, mais mon accent est très mal.
You're so right, bestie.
Yes, I am. Sorry. No, I'm just saying, I speak French, but not that great. My vocabulary and accent is terrible. Mon vocabulaire is très petit. But we all speak Yu-Gi-Oh here. So we're going to go ahead and link to here.
This is like a wicked.
Vers le Wicked.
Cyber's Wicked. I'm so happy to see Cyber's Wicked getting played more often. Obviously, with better Cyber's tuners, that does make it work. But I remember playing that in like the Playmaker pile, where you just run
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
But now we're seeing real duelists use it.
Oui, la console dès
Even
la saison précédente, forcément,
no, anyone that
les gens
uses
commentent tous monter sur moi. Oh, les gens, c'est ça, il a un edge baisé.
So that's another draw there for Ryan, thanks to the March Hare being summoned from hand and banishing.
Ouais, et
each
puis,
test.
Can you imagine if that was the mirror right then?
That would be well.
enfin, le deck, j'ai plus que maîtrisé, quoi.
Still only one monster in the hand appears to. Oh no, there's 2 now.
I
But
think we.
both are Draco Tails.
I think Damien's a bit happier now into Nibiru
Yeah.
because I think through Nibiru, if we have access to like Wizard or something, we could still get into White Binder to bring back the GWCO 6, which is kind of all we need really going into the next turn. So I think he's fine now to start playing into the Perulia a bit more, if that makes sense.
So we do use another Malice. We're going to get our White Rabbit back to the field.
Oh, c'est bon.
Another Link summon here, combining Cyber's Wicked and Malice P. March Hare.
I feel like this is going to be the White Binder here. Yep. Now
Je vais
this
aller
is
faire la
big
summon.
Je réfléchis.
because getting access to 06 here would kind of fully insulate Damien for the rest of the next couple turns, and he'll have guaranteed interactions against Ryan. And there we see the Phantasme.
Wow. I mean, it is a dragon.
And because the ignition effect of White Binder is an ignition effect, he's trying to draw into cards like Nibiru right now, because getting rid of it here would be the most important time to do so.
So, Ghost Spell and Haunted Mansion and
Fantasmer dans Dracotel, vraiment, ça fait trop peur.
Those are Ghost Spell's pretty good here, actually.
It actually is. But he didn't get to that hallowed Nibiru, so the Comet may be coming, but not yet.
Well, actually, now I think he has a check to the GWCO 6 during his turn, so he's kind of fine to let Damien rock with this now. Because for Damien to keep extending from here, he might have to give a lot of draws to Raihan off the Perulia still, like you were mentioning earlier. We need things like backup and
Je crois qu'il y a une Femina.
keep playing through this, and those both trigger Perulia.
Taking just a moment here to think.
It's like, where do we go from here? Because trying to get access to Cryptor might be a little tough without giving Raihan too much advantage.
I feel like you almost have to go all the way, though, because it's not like you're going to have another opportunity. He did
Ouais,
draw an
choper une
Ash
hache.
Blossom Spring, though, so with every summon from the hand, though, he does help Raihan just that much more.
I kind of got a glimpse of Ryan's hand. It's kind of crazy. there's some green cards in there that
Yeah.
are kind of nuts, just a little bit.
Malice all about the traps. A little bit of spells here
La
and
demande
there,
d'effusion
but
aussi, genre vraiment Ryan
Ryan's
commence à avoir une main
Draco Tail
énervée
deck
pour
is
péter le board. Hein.
really going to be able to do numbers on this when his turn shows up. So it's. Do you think you go all the way into the Allied Kotalk or Ignister just to provide
Main
those
fuzz.
extra negates?
In my mind, it's not worth it at this
Orange
point
fuzz.
because in order to do so, I think you'd have to give like another draw to Ryan, and giving him 7 cards with the power spells that exist in both the branded and the
Ah,
Draco
si, son nom, on est
Archivist
d'accord.
is not good enough. But there we see the Cryptor's effect shuffling back the mouse
aller.
in the mirror to just non-target banish the
Genre ça
Phantasme,
danse
get
pas,
the thing off
tu me
the
demandes
board.
pas. Eh non.
And there we see the
Et non,
pass.
comme
Over
j'expliquais,
to Ryan.
on a lancé le stream un peu tard parce qu'en fait, moi je suis barman.
That's a lot for a fusion deck.
Et grosso modo, j'ai terminé le taf il y a 45 minutes à peu
All
près.
right, let's see if you're right.
So there we see
Donc
the
forcément,
Focus Circuit and a Fusion Summon because Damien controls the
forcément on le lance que maintenant. Mais
Unless he
nous on l'aurait
decides
lancé un
to
peu plus
use
tôt quoi.
something like that Ash Blossom and Joy Spring in his hand, but you got to be very careful here.
Well, you can also use Dominus Impulse on it too.
Par contre j'ai les cannes
Damien pauses for just a moment.
fatiguées là. Ah genre moi je sors d'un mariage.
The
Mais
activation of the
enculé c'est
effect
quoi
of
ces heures de
Dominus
stream
Impulse from the
putain.
hands.
This means all the potential light monsters he could have in his deck are now
Mais je
not
travaillais, j'ai fini le taf à 1h du mat. Genre...
Oh, but there we see Brandon Fusion fresh
Wow.
out too. The reason why people love playing this version of the Draco Type deck, but there we see the Ash Blossom, the #1 op. of
Ça
Brandon
commence à...
Cries in Fallen of Albaz.
So even though Ryan had a 7-card hand, is he still able to play the Ultimate Eruption? We see the Molulu. That's another way to fuse.
Vas-y je t'envoie de la force, je lâche un amour. Bon mais t'es un amour toi.
This will lock him into fusions though for the rest of the turn, so it's worth noting.
Un
Alright,
amour.
let's see what we got from Damien's side.
I mean, this is big. Like if I'm Damien, like and you have a way to stop this, you definitely should. We're gonna use the effect of Crypto here to non-target banish, meaning we're gonna try to force Ryan to have another Draco Tail name from the hand.
Well, if I remember, the Malulu is a fusion that includes this card, right? So with Malulu gone, it can't
Right.
fuse. Yeah.
No, I believe it needs to include. I believe you need to summon a
Okay.
Draco Tail monster.
Mais je m'en branle de tes discussions, ça va être 2h10 et tu trouves ça normal,
I
bah...
actually think it. I no, I think the restriction is just fusion.
Bah écoute...
Okay,
I think
gotcha,
that's it.
gotcha. So it looks like maybe he has no way to fuse. We're just cutting the deck. We're looking. He hasn't.
I think he's
made
debating on
another
the
move.
materials.
Just fabulous play from Damien, not letting a single thing go through.
Just forcing him to have
Yeah,
answers.
probably
you
this
think
one,
about
yeah.
Yeah, I think they're just trying to decide materials, I guess. Because he has like a handful of monsters.
He
essentially.
does. He does.
And I think I saw at least an Urgula,
And that could
Merci
deal
pour
with
le
the
follow.
face down trap card.
or at least force it out.
Désolé, je réforme.
Oh, really thinking about this.
I mean, it's a tough call. Like, he has to get rid of so many of his cards. And then, like, maybe not get any of them back. Oh, I think we're using
Il a
3
pas été
monsters
reborn,
here?
lui.
Oh, because maybe what he can do is he can order the chain links in a way that makes it to where he can clear the graveyard of monsters for Whitebinder to banish.
Wow, look at that. Urgula and 2 copies of Ash Blossom and Joyous Spring to make a gigantic copy of Arthalion.
Yep, this is going to be able to bounce back to the hand 3 different monsters from the field or graveyard here. So we're going to chain link one that, targeting Whitebinder.
Ça,
I guess the idea being to make sure it cannot be banished if it's no longer in the graveyard.
For sure. But if you're Damien, you can just chain
Je partais
link
pisser et c'est là que j'ai vu une notification.
But Joe
Je pouvais pas rater une
can't
occasion de t'insulter, ouais, je peux comprendre très
the
honnêtement.
idea here, yeah.
T'imagines, tu traverses un continent pour affronter un gars en stream et tu peux l'affronter limite à ton
It's
local.
got a pins and needles, like every
Ah, tu peux
single
l'affronter
move
sur les gros
means
tournois
so
français, mais
much.
après, c'est... Là, pour le coup, tu vois, aux US, ça fait peut-être un peu chier, mais bon, c'est en stream, c'est 2 gros duellistes quand même, genre... L'affiche, elle est cool à voir, tu vois.
Without the support from the field spell,
H,
not big enough.
et la dernière.
So I believe we're just still declaring our targets with Arthalion.
Well, he needs to keep up the pace of play. You don't want to get a slow play penalty this early in the tournament and have to be on pins and needles later.
Oh yes. It's always worth it to take your time but make your plays efficient.
C'est ça.
And we're going to target the Hearts Crypto to
Et
bounce
deux,
back as
sur
well,
le but.
as well as use the Urgla's effect now to set and target a spell trap.
So
Sorry,
finally found it.
non-target destroy spell trap.
Which could still actually get rid of the field spell if it forces out the activation of the GWC06, just like you said.
Okay, because if you don't use it now, he'll just get rid of it.
Ouais, cushion.
And this one is not target, so we can just summon the binder.
So Whitebinder back on the
Non,
field.
d'abord, on résurgule.
Ouais, déjà, je gagne 2003,
Ouais.
2002.
Gonna gain a little bit of life points there. Not a little bit, I mean, that's a pretty sizable amount,
Yeah.
but...
Camille Raoult, je sais pas.
Oh, this is... With 19 minutes left to go, this duel will certainly end, and with moves as great as these, I'm very excited to see who comes out on top, but...
Yep, and there we see the destruction of the underground, like you mentioned, and then we're going to bounce back the Crypto to the extra deck, add
Ouais.
back the Ash Blossom, which is huge in case we have a way to banish this Whitebinder. It will have a check to it for coming back,
Je vais trigger
but
Whitebinder.
as we know, Ryan has Ghost Spell in his hand, so once he
Meilleur
activates
régal,
Whitebinder,
il parle en
he
français
has
entre
a
eux. Mais ouais, c'est trop drôle.
cruel
Genre, en fait, à
response.
chaque fois qu'il parle en anglais, c'est pour parler avec le head judge.
Depending on what Damien's hand is, he could be out of follow-up. I know we have March Hare in hand,
Et là,
So we could probably still access a White Rabbit play.
And we are
Essaie de
banishing
là.
here for the on-summon effect.
We're targeting.
Oh, but there it is.
There it is. The
Nothing
Ghost Bell
happens.
on
Oh,
the
elle est
White
bien,
Rabbit
elle.
to banish. This will put a stop to all of Damien's on-field interruptions, and it's just going to be cards in hand, which I believe does include. I believe they're all known cards actually. It's Wizard,
Elle est bien,
Backup,
cette belle.
and March Hare.
Et le truc, c'est qu'il y a un bestial dans la main de bien là qui attend depuis tout à l'heure.
Yeah, so the biggest thing for Damien here is he needs to be able to banish his White Binder to get access to MTP07, but we have the March Hare to do that, so he can just take his time and see what else Ryan wants to do here. But if you're Damien, you kind of can't let him resolve this Rahu because that gets him access to Gulamel, which could just clear your entire board.
Ouais.
So yeah, on resolution of the Ghost Spell, we are going to be using Damien's March Hare here to banish. Oh, we have Red Ransom, and if we have more White Rabbits in the deck, we can use that too. Oh, that's pretty sick.
So found a way back to it. Gonna go ahead and pay 900 life points here in order to bring out the queen here, Red Ransom.
Yes. Oh, this is really expertly played here by Damien, just using the full power of all the Malice names to fight through. What is it? 3 different power spells plus a Ghost Spell and an Arthalion from Ryan here.
I know we said Ghost Spell and Haunted Mansion was good earlier in this tournament, but man, is Ghost Spell and Haunted Mansion good. But equally good, Damien's ability to just keep the plays going, manages to.
C'est chaud, il se fait attraper à la gorge quoi.
I mean, it forced, you know, it
Le
forced.
juge qui doit
Damien to
entendre
have every-
omelette au fromage à chaque interaction de
Round
fou.
off the Red Ransom summon effect. We're going to pay another 300 to summon back the White Rabbit that was banished off the Ransom's banishment effect. And this will give us MTP07, which can non-target banish
Yeah,
any
that
card
one
on the
was
field. And I think the card he's looking at is that set Rahu.
And I mean, you can do it.
Il va être obligé de le hache.
Before your opponent can even flip up that normal spell, only spell speed 1.
That's right. There we see the Ash Blossom on the MTP07 because it includes an effect to add a card from deck to hand, but that does not stop the White Binder from being summoned back. And
Is that a concession? I think it is a concession. Raihan wins.
But from whom? But from whom?
I think, well, I mean, put your
Wait,
name on it now.
I actually don't know. I think it was anyone's game there still. Like,
I
maybe.
think Damien wins. Wow. Okay, so Ryan concedes because he just could not make it.
Because he has no monsters in hand, and Rahu forces you to summon a Dracotail monster, and all the Dracotails require monsters in the hand.
Yeah, and I see the sacred slip there as we look. Yeah, Damien is your winner. Wow. So the French champion managed to
Putain.
intimidate his opponent.
I love Christian.
What an incredible match.
Well, I want to point out that means Ryan was 1 card short
Oh.
of breaking the board, meaning all of the plays Damien was making on turn 1 to play around the Perulia and not give too many draws they mattered. They were so important.
Wow, just some great dueling action, and we're not even like through the tournament. That was a duel that was the caliber of a finals.
Oh yes.
En vrai,
That's, oh my goodness. And there's
le
still
fait
so
qu'il y ait
many great
H
world champions
plus
here,
Impulse,
former world champions here,
c'est trop
national
dur
champions
pour
from
remonter
different
quoi.
nations across the world. We again have players from the OCG who are here. Wow, what a match. But let's not take away the spotlight. This is Damien's win, and good on him.
And,
Good
and
stuff.
like you're saying, these are world-class level players here, and it's just beautiful to see. Even though Ryan got that loss, he's still X1, more than a good enough record to make Take 2, and more than a good enough record to make top 8.
Un
Yeah,
truc de
so we
fou.
might have a French.
Vraiment un truc de fou. Après, genre, le match Damien Ryan, il est sexy de fou. C'est un peu dommage que on n'ait pas eu des interactions plus intéressantes parce que grosso merdo ça a été je fais mon board, je passe pas à toi, je fais mon board, je passe pas à toi. Et la dernière ça a été littéralement j'ai plus d'intérêt que t'as de play et ça c'est pas enfin on n'a pas vu on aurait pu voir un petit peu plus dans le match, c'est un peu dommage. On représente, je vois. On représente un peu. Remets pour l'interview s'il te plaît. Ouais, t'inquiète. Tu décris le gameplay de Malice ou je rêve? Bah, Malice, le problème c'est que ça se joue aussi pendant les tours, tu vois. Ça dit pas juste je fais un board, tu loses quoi.
Damien, 6 wins. How are you feeling?
Pretty good right now. I'm comfortable with my game, so yeah, happy.
Of Okay, but you had to defeat your friend.
Yeah. I'm preparing for the event with him, so it's a little bit sad, but maybe we will match on Top Cut. Maybe.
Hey, you didn't go easy on him though. I could tell you were both very intent.
Yeah, of course. Essentially, the game 3 was very hard for me because you have 2 multi-armies and a lot of cards. But yeah, my deck is strong in Go First, and I'm happy to how I manage the game.
Certainly. And to pick your brain a little bit more about Malice, why are you still using this deck? A lot of people decided to take it out of rotation.
Yeah, I'm using this deck since months ago, and I think it's a good pick for today because people don't run Lancea in their side deck on the main deck, and with good free spots we can respond to the format. So yeah.
Okay, so you're sticking by it. Also, I see you have some friends here. You all made the trek here.
Yeah, I arrive with 10 people. We're living together for holidays and do the YCS, so pretty cool vacation.
Aww. Yeah, love to see this fantastic group we have here. Is there anything you want to say to everyone watching at home?
Yeah, just shout out to my friend, all people who support me in France. I know people watching in stream, it's 2 hours in France, but they're watching the stream for us with Ryan, so yeah, and GG to him.
Yeah, it's early in the morning there, right?
Yeah, but it's like 2:30, I think.
My goodness. Well, a lot of diehards still watching, so congratulations, and we'll see how you do for the rest of the tournament.
Yeah, thank you.
Are you feeling confident?
Yeah, of course. Always.
Always. Okay. All right, let's send it back to our casters.
Wow. Damien and the crew from France coming for a nice dueling vacation. I love to see it.
It's nice when your vacation includes a couple of wins, though, too. Oh,
more than a
J'ai vu en vacances, j'ai gagné un YCS, je suis reparti. Y'a quoi? Vraiment, la classe mondiale, quoi. Il a dit les gens qui le supportent en France. Bien évidemment qu'on supporte les Français à l'étranger. Ah, j'étais là, je fais ouais, si je donne ça au YCS, ils se foutent de la gueule des gens, quand même. Oh putain. Ah ouais, il est sexy le playmat. Le playmat, il est vraiment beau. Avoir les artworks un peu indie comme ça, j'aime beaucoup. Ah, contre autre chose. Mais non. Je comprends tout de travers, tienne. Tout de travers. Eh, ça vous dit, on va avoir un champion de YCS? Noël!
Vraiment, à 2 frais, il partait, genre.
Attention, dites pas de bêtises, vous êtes en live.
On a regardé Damien activer H-Impulse contre Dracotail après avoir full combo.
2 fois.
Ah, vraiment, quand j'ai vu le re-H-Impulse, j'étais genre oh.
C'est même pas re-H-Impulse, c'est H-H-Impulse. Ouais. Pour la game 3.
Et la game 2, on a vu Impulse sur Ketu, active Rahu.
Ah, Yu-Gi-Oh! C'est interactif.
Alors on a vu, je crois qu'on a vu quasiment 0 carte activée en Go second, genre, qui avait de l'impact. Terrible quand même.
Vraiment, je vais pas vous mentir. Genesis, c'est le plus gros scam que Yugi nous ait fait depuis très longtemps.
C'est un format plus casu, je pense. En vrai,
non, attends. Faut dire les choses, c'est un format pas fonctionnel.
Non mais attends, c'est pas ça le problème.
ATM.
C'est pas ça le problème. C'est que le pourquoi ils ont créé Genesis, de 1, il est problématique, parce que littéralement, les joueurs ont adopté le Edison et le GOAT à cause de ça, tu vois. Et littéralement, ils sortent le Genesis, ils te disent si tu gagnes un YCS, la prize card que tu vas gagner, c'est DAD, Et t'as tous les joueurs Edison sur le côté en mode bah Konami, mon ref, tu te fous de ma gueule. Eux, ils ont un YCS alors que ton format il vient de sortir. Et nous, tu nous abandonnes, fils de pute. C'est terrible.
Je sais pas, je comprends pas le problème qu'ils ont avec les formats Legacy, genre.
Et je comprends pas.
Mais surtout,
Je ne comprends pas.
Genre,
le truc qui
genre
me
les
pète
formats
les couilles.
Legacy. Bon, le problème des formats Legacy, c'est que je pense que ça fait pas vendre de nouvelles cartes. Parce que genre, les joueurs qui veulent jouer au format Legacy en général, ils ont déjà les cartes, tu vois.
Non, mec, je suis
Mais
désolé. T'as certaines cartes de Edison qui coûtent 30-40 balles parce qu'elles ont jamais été reprint. Tu les mets dans un booster,
oui,
les gens
oui, bien
achètent.
sûr. Bien sûr, bien sûr, bien sûr. Mais enfin, je pense que ça pourrait être un argument. Enfin, il l'avancerait jamais en public, tu vois, mais c'est un argument qui pourrait rentrer en jeu. Mais le truc, c'est que le Genesis ne fait pas vendre plus de cartes, genre.
Bah non.
Bah non, de 1 non, et de 2 ils ont dû reprint des trucs dans les teams pour le Genesis, genre.
Oui, mais ça, à
Genre
la
les
limite.
prints,
Oui, mais ça, c'est pareil pour le Edison. Si tu veux supporter plus le Edison, tu reprints des cartes de Edison pour vendre des trucs à l'instant T, tu vois.
Mais c'est pas ça,
Mais
c'est que vu qu'ils savent pas faire leur marketing, ils ont annoncé le Genesis après avoir sorti les teams, ce qui fait que ça a pas vendu plus de teams.
oui, 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 ils l'ont annoncé un petit peu tard, je pense.
Ils vont pas faire un YCS dans un format plus vieux que mon petit frère qui vend pas de cartes. Mec, je pense que tu te rends pas compte à quel point Edison ça vend des cartes. Je pense que tu te rends pas compte.
Ça vend des cartes sur le marché secondaire, sur le marché primaire de Konami, je sais pas si c'est tant important que ça, tu vois.
Ça vendrait pas. Je pense que tu surestimes ce que ça vaudrait de point de vue de Konami. Genre, je pense que créer un set pour vendre uniquement des cartes de Edison, c'est pas rentable. Donc, le seul truc que tu peux faire, c'est augmenter la vente d'un set en printant des cartes d'Edison. Genre ce qu'ils ont fait dans les teams, tu vois, ils ont print des cartes qui étaient bannies et tout. Les gens se sont demandé, mais pourquoi ils font ça? Bon, bah, ok, c'était pas pour les déban, c'était bien pour du Genesis. Enfin, de toute façon, Pot of Grid, c'était pas pour être déban, mais genre Magic Dragon et des trucs comme ça, on s'est demandé pourquoi, tu vois. Genre.
Non. Ouais. Putain, je vais aller de travers. C'est étonnant que t'aies pas rebondi là-dessus, Noël, tiens.
Bah, c'est ta mère qui rebondit, hein. C'est pas
Ouais,
moi.
voilà. Oh putain.
Même plus de temps le matin pour se faire battre, là. Genre.
Non, mais voilà, dis bien. Non, mais grosso modo, le problème que j'ai avec le Genesis, c'est que, en fait, ce que le Genesis a eu, c'est ce que Edison réclame depuis des années et on leur a chié dessus. Et je trouve ça scandaleux. Alors que,
Ah, ça, oui.
littéralement, on va pas se mentir, aujourd'hui, t'annonces un YCS en Edison, mec, il y a 1000 personnes. Peu importe où tu le mets, il y a 1000 personnes. Et c'est sûr et certain.
Bah, en fait, je pense que s'ils faisaient genre un YCS dédié à un rétro format, genre où le format principal c'est le format rétro, du coup, tu sais, ça changerait la perception un peu du truc. Parce qu'actuellement, quand tu veux faire entre guillemets un YCS de format Legacy, ben tu viens à un YCS normal et tu fais le tournoi Legacy, quoi.
Tu fais le méga régio à côté.
Mais je sais pas, ça a pas tout à fait la même saveur, je trouve.
Ouais, c'est un 128, c'est pas vraiment un YCS, tu vois. Il y a pas de
Ça
top
dépend,
cut
ça
à
dépend, ça
jouer, c'est
dépend.
bizarre.
On a eu
Non,
je crois qu'à Lille l'année dernière, 2024, je crois que Neftis, il est genre en top 8 de Edison et c'était un tournoi à genre 500 joueurs, je crois.
Ah ouais, tant que ça?
mais en plus de
Je
ça,
crois, ouais, je crois qu'ils ont fait quand même des tournois comme ça où c'était quand
en
même
fait,
beaucoup de joueurs.
en fait, ce qui est frustrant, c'est qu'aujourd'hui, ils ont le pool de joueurs et de personnes capables d'équilibrer le format Edison et de modifier légèrement les bans pour avoir un format qui soit intéressant et qui puisse cycler sur d'autres choses tout en gardant le pool de cartes de 2010. Parce qu'aujourd'hui, ils ont
Mais
des joueurs de
changer la balle,
talent.
c'est bizarre.
Ouais, non, mais ce que je veux te dire, c'est que si tu veux faire du rétro, tu vois, et que le Edison, à un moment donné, ne se suffit plus à lui-même, tu as des ressources dans les joueurs qui jouent au Edison et qui seraient très heureux de pouvoir t'aider sur le fait que le format puisse se développer, que littéralement, il y a énormément de choses à faire avec le Edison. Mais nous, on appelle ça du Edison parce que c'est nous, IQ, tu vois. Mais pour Konami, c'est du Time Wizard, tu vois. Je te rappelle qu'il y a pas très longtemps, ils voulaient appliquer tous les errata. Juste pour rappel, hein.
Oui, oui, mais ça c'était.
Bah, aux States, ils ont pas les mêmes règles
Ça
qu'en EU
c'était.
déjà pour
En,
les
en,
les
en, Eu-
wizards.
en Europe, ils ont debunk Day One pour dire non, on fera pas ça nous. Par contre, on est d'accord que le mec là, c'est Jim Cook, le mec à gauche, avec ses dinos là.
Oui,
C'est Jim Crocodile Cook là.
oui. En plus, si tu
On est
regardes de temps en
vraiment.
temps, tu vois un tatouage de Aeolo sur son bras droit.
Oh, la timeline est folle, la timeline est folle. On joue Punk Therion. Bon, on n'est plus capable de faire comment il s'appelle Calamity, mais on a fait des choses quand même là.
Vraiment, non mais regarde.
Le
Là, tu
problème,
vois
c'est
le
que si
board,
il y aurait une
si
fraction
ton
de la.
adversaire active juste pile,
Hmm.
on range le BO là.
Bah, c'est negate Sargas, non?
Là, ouais, ici, il y a 0
Oui,
Event
demain,
Time Wizard et 0 Time Travel. Quoi? Non, vraiment, c'est du foutage de gueule.
Bah, c'est
Sargas, ça negate que demain.
c'est que Genesis. Je pense que si tu veux faire un event Time Wizard, c'est genre les événements à la demande quoi.
Bah ouais.
Je pense que ça, t'as peut-être encore le droit, mais.
Mais pour le coup, là, les trucs qu'ils sont en train de montrer, c'est parce que demain, ils font un 64 où il faut s'être qualifié sur le J1. Et du coup, là, ils nous passent des finales de mecs qui se qualifient pour le 64 de demain. Du coup, demain, il y a un monde où il y a
Les
encore
quali
toutes les
les
trucs de
quali les
con, genre.
les qualifiers, c'est combien de joueurs? C'est genre 8 joueurs? C'est genre
Je crois.
des 8 joueurs et le vainqueur il se qualifie, c'est ça?
Ouais, je crois, c'est un truc du genre.
Il y a 0 event à la demande. Wesh, c'est une dinguerie ça.
Il y a du Genesis, du Speed Duel et 0 Event.
C'est le vrai Nadir là dans le chat?
Ouais, ouais, c'est le vrai Nadir dans le chat.
Le GOAT? Le GOAT?
C'est Nadir le GOAT.
Il est pas sur place, Nadir là.
Non. Je pense pas. Ils veulent pousser le new format, mais les Time Wizard va sûrement revenir. Mais enfin, ils vont pas pouvoir endiguer la communauté Edison. Genre la communauté Edison, j'ai l'impression que c'est un peu comme la communauté Smash, tu vois. C'est genre, comment ça, mon ref, tu touches à un truc qu'on n'a pas eu besoin de toi pendant des années pour venir nous casser les couilles. Ils vont l'attraper par le callback.
Bah, de toute façon, les gens qui veulent faire des events de leur côté de Edison, ils continueront, tu vois, mais ce sera pas officiel. Enfin, ça a pas la même saveur quand c'est pas officiel, tu vois, quand même.
Mm.
C'est un peu frustrant quand t'es compétiteur.
D'ailleurs, Romain, demain, t'es sur le Mans ou pas?
Ouais,
T'as moyen de passer à la maison pour apporter Lunalight ou pas?
ouais, je t'apporte ça demain.
Ok. Juste, je travaille à 16h, donc si t'as moyen de
Je
m'apporter ça
t'apporte
début
ça, oui.
d'après-midi, ce serait
Ah,
top.
début de RAM. Alors, quel est donc ce message? Ah oui, non, il a envoyé le blog.
Ouais, ouais, il a envoyé
C'est vrai qu'on a
le.
enfin... On a enfin accès au blog! Sans avoir de VPN de con, putain!
Ok, ok.
Ah, les
N'hésitez pas
qualifiers, c'est des
au DAC
32 joueurs.
Tournament, il y aura un side
Inside
event.
Event Edison, c'est vrai. Parlons du deck tournament. Parlons du deck tournament. Oubliez pas,
Les
le code
qualifiers, c'est des
RS5, les
32
refs. Hein.
joueurs. C'est que ça marche pas sur les tournois?
À deux doigts d'aller voir la DAC et demander un code RS6, juste pour casser les couilles.
Ça marche que sur les cartes, trou du cul. Ça marche pas
Ça
sur
marche que sur les
les.
commandes, ça marche pas sur les tournois.
Ça marche pas sur
Celle-ci
les
sait même pas
tournois,
faire la
frère.
pub correctement.
Les gars, RS5. Point. Point.
Ok. RS5.
Ok.
RS5 point,
Ground,
vraiment, histoire de.
Ground Xeno.
On attend toujours le RS50. Eh les gars, calmez-vous. Déjà, bientôt, je vais devoir me faire roast par l'équipe.
J'ai
Calmez-vous.
compris.
Il manque combien de subs pour ça d'ailleurs?
25.
Non, il en manque combien? C'est pas à combien c'est.
Est-ce
Il en
qu'on
manque
casse? Oh
25.
là là, on
Il
casse.
en manque 25?
Il en
Oh,
manque
punaise.
25.
Attends, mais
Et
il y a
c'est quand la date limite?
Kaiju. Il y a eu
C'est
Kaiju.
Dortmund.
Ah oui, ok, d'accord.
Non,
Oui, ça
non,
va
il
le prendre.
y a 4 mois pour faire 200 subs. Ça va le faire.
Ok. Oui.
Kaiju, Ground Xeno, Pet Bébé. Oh là là, mais ça clique, hein.
Ah oui,
Février
mais moi,
2030, ça va.
t'inquiète, hein. La prochaine étape, c'est faire. Ouah,
Ah, on est bon, on est bon, on est bon. Chain Droll et
drôle, ça va rien
Logbird.
changer, genre.
C'est moi ou il a pas déclaré bébé?
Si, il a déclaré bébé.
Attends, Ground Zeno, ça se paie le mob?
Attends, il va
Non, c'est
vraiment.
l'autre qui se spé parce qu'il y a une carte qui est détruite.
J'ai cru qu'il faisait l'effet de faire Raigeki. Je fais, mais il est fou.
Ah, tu
Vas-y,
te
Non.
fais,
fais Rageki sur un bébé.
tu te
Non.
fais roast H24 par ta team et ton chat. En quoi ça change de d'habitude?
Mais parce que. Mais parce que.
Oh, c'est bien dit. Oh, c'est
mais-
si bien dit.
Mais parce que là, littéralement, ça doit être écrit, ça doit être bien fait, ça doit être malin, tu vois. Et je sais que j'ai une équipe de gens qui sont pas très malins. Genre, tu regardes Noël, physiquement, tu sais que lui, s'il est une meuf, c'est parce qu'il est drôle.
Wesh.
Ah oui,
Bah,
d'accord. Ah ouais,
pour
ça
rassurer,
tire.
j'ai pas de meuf.
Ah voilà, c'est
Je
que
suis
t'es
même
même pas drôle, enculé.
Oh le bâtard.
Je suis même pas drôle. Terrible. En tout cas, ça plaît pas aux meufs, mon humour.
Et là, écoute-moi bien, il a fait pot de vin sur Upstart. Tu te rends compte?
Mmh.
Je vais te quitter, Noël.
Genre, toi, tu respires pas le prix Nobel non plus. Oh, le
Oh
chat.
là là, wesh.
Ils sont là pour attraper Axel.
Ah ouais. D'accord. D'accord. Je me fais attaquer.
J'espère
Non,
qu'il l'attrape, mais je vois pas comment il peut gagner avec Dino sous Tourelle, genre.
T'inquiète, il va trouver un moyen pour faire toucher le tuc et ça va bien se passer. Voilà, regarde.
Oh, ça peut foolish. Oh,
Ça
exceptionnel.
peut foolish.
C'est sexy en vrai.
se trouve encore à
Allez.
3h du matin, encore enculé.
Foolish Missé. Foolish Missé. Ah non, Missé, ça vaut des points.
Tu m'as
Il vaut
attrapé
plein
dans
de
la.
points, Missé.
Tu m'as attrapé dans la Pokéball, Axel. Je devais me coucher.
Eh oui, tu es dans la Pokéball, Noël.
Et là, je m'intéresse à du Genesis là.
Non, tu t'intéresses pas.
N'intéresse pas,
savoir
tu
comment
es
ça
forcé de regarder, c'est très différent.
Il est 2h45, personne ne va lire. Excellent.
Tu sais que toi, je peux t'attraper parce que je sais dans quel vocal t'es actuellement. Je peux venir te chercher par la peau
Attends,
des
mais-
couilles.
Il va vraiment déclarer un Rageki alors qu'il y a bébé en face.
Personne, y a personne.
On peut tous décaler en 30 secondes dans ton vocal.
Y a personne dans son
Il y a plus
vocal.
personne.
Ah, il n'y a plus personne, il est parti.
Shiraku
On
Sai.
fait télép. Et là, on fait quoi? On fuse? Mais ça fait un truc la fusion ici?
Bah apparemment. Sinon il la
Parce
ferait
que
pas.
moi,
Le reste-
la fusion, elle SP2 du deck, mais.
Non, mais tu peux synchro, il va faire synchro 11, il va faire dragon.
Ah, tu peux synchro. Ah, bien vu, bien vu.
Ah, il va faire le nouveau. Le nouveau
Ok, il
Non,
va
le
psy
pas
qui
faire de la
bannin.
merde. Non, il
Le-
fait de la merde, apparemment.
Le nouveau, il est déjà sur la table, celui qui fait Regeki.
Oui, non, mais c'est l'autre nouveau.
Alors,
Celui qui bannit.
Ça invoque
C'est moi.
ça invoque autre chose que des punks
Non, mais surtout, attends.
En vrai,
et niveau
à cette heure,
6,
on peut se lâcher un peu sur le chat. Ça dépend. Ça dépend ce que tu veux dire. Genre, évite de me foutre dans la merde. J'aimerais pas lancer un drama ce soir, tu vois.
T'inquiète, au pire, tu prendras un perma.
Genre, évitons. J'ai déjà bien assez de soucis avec bien assez de gens comme ça.
Oh, un petit souci avec Twitch, c'est quoi en vrai?
Merde. Assez de
Bon, on lit
soucis. Techniques,
on
allez.
lit. Ah, technique. On lit
En
la
vrai,
carte.
En vrai, certes, je m'entends pas avec Gab, tu vois, sur un point de vue humain. Mais actuellement,
fait
c'est pas la personne qui me casse le plus les couilles.
Ça sort Jump Fever, le coup de Krigeki, le MK Blaster 2 et la téléporte qui ramène un axe impulsion. Putain, c'est fort, ouais.
Genre, tu vois, objectivement, Gab, en soi, il me casse pas les couilles. Juste, humainement, on s'entend pas. Il s'est passé des trucs dans le passé. On se côtoie pas, chacun fait ses bails dans son coin. Tout le monde est content. Terminé, bonsoir, tu vois.
Il est content.
Mais tu sais que là, il a juste fait, il a juste fait une petite vanne et t'es parti en couille, genre.
Non, mais. Tu vois, c'est pas caché que moi et Gab, on s'entend pas, tu vois. Enfin, que moi, surtout, je peux pas blairer Gab, tu vois. C'est pas un problème. Genre, t'auras toujours des gens dans ta vie avec qui tu t'entendras pas. Bah, dans la mienne, c'est Gab. Voilà, terminé. Oh, il fait les trucs dans son coin, je fais les trucs dans mon coin. Tout le monde se porte bien et terminé mon soir.
Ça va, il est 3 h du mat, personne va venir te traver par le col.
Bon. Missé est fait, mais on a un truc à spé avec Missé ici?
Non, en vrai, flemme pour le point Godwin à ce soir-là. Bah,
Oh, si, en vrai, il y a un truc qui est faisable.
Et-
Tu spé Mégalo en mode défense et tu lui dis have fun.
ah bah tiens.
Voilà.
Oh, c'est drôle ça. Missé est fait. Wesh. Mais attends, mais pourquoi il y a mon émote sur le.
Hey, t'inquiète.
Wesh.
Non, on l'a
T'inquiète.
rajouté.
Elle est sur le stream aussi.
Mégalo, ce qui est terrifiant avec Mégalo, c'est que je connais son prix avant de connaître son effet.
Aressus.
Si tu veux, à côté de moi, j'en ai 20 des mégalos.
Ah, moi j'en ai 19 qui arrivent là.
Et juste à côté, il y a la synchro en 17 fois. Et on dit merci Mathieu pour l'argent.
Qu'est-ce que tu penses du crack Petit Jean ce week-end, Axel?
Moi je suis trop content. Moi je suis trop content parce que Petit Jean, je me lis
Il est
vraiment en
venu,
lui, tu vois.
il est venu avec un deck à 52 cartes, avec des small world et tout. Genre, il a été contaminé par Pierre.
Il a
C'est.
regardé la liste de Pierre, il s'est dit si ça marche pour lui, ça marche pour moi, et il a foncé tout droit. Et ça a marché.
Moi, je pense que je préfère Malice à ce que Pierre il a à Vanquish, je pense, pour mixer les Mitsu. Parce que genre tu convertis mieux les bodies, je pense que tu crées.
Mais ce qui est trop drôle, c'est que Salis, il en parlait dans. Bon, alors vous l'avez pas vu, mais il a beaucoup travaillé dans son channel perso. Et genre la
Ah ouais?
liste.
Ah ouais.
Ouais. Parce qu'en gros, si tu veux, il en avait marre de. Comment dire? Il voulait être sûr qu'on lui réponde, tu vois.
Mhm.
Et donc du coup, il en a pas mal parlé avec Vincent notamment. Et bah force est de voir que ça a fonctionné, donc trop content pour lui, tu vois.
Eh, je me disais aussi, sa liste, elle est sortie de nulle part à Lille un peu. Je me suis dit, bon, il a dû travailler un peu de son côté, mais ça m'avait étonné quand même. Et
Non, il a.
forcément, on voit pas tout, on voit pas tout, on voit pas tout.
Faut avouer que le channel Malice, il répond pas souvent. Quoi.
Je l'ai vu en stream, autant sur Israel il est faible, et sur Malice ça joue. Ah, t'inquiète,
Non, mais.
petit Jean et LOL, c'est une longue histoire, genre.
Après, Petit Jean, il avait besoin d'un petit break sur la Ligue des légendes. Le break est fait.
Ah, il s'est donné sur la
On
Ligue des
est
légendes, hein.
mégalo, genre.
Ah bah dernièrement, ouais.
Pourquoi il est banni le mégalo?
Toi, tu t'es donné en TFT, Axel.
Ouais, dernièrement, ça va. Un donné, c'est vite dit, si tu veux. Mes journées, c'est simple, elles font 8h le matin, 3h du matin, tu vois, à peu près. Et genre, mon rituel, actuellement, c'est si Arthur est connecté au moment où je vais aller me coucher, on fait une double up ensemble. Si Arthur est pas couché, je fais une game solo. Et la plupart du temps, je me dis, putain, j'ai fait que top 4. Putain, je refais une game jusqu'à ce que je top 1. Puis après, je fais top 7, top 8. Et après, je me dis, bah, il est peut-être temps d'aller dormir.
J'ai fait un top 1 aujourd'hui. Je me suis fait coacher par un pote parce que j'ai pas joué le set du tout.
Ok.
J'ai joué Yasuo Swain ou Reroll. C'était très drôle.
Oh, ok. Bah, dis-toi que tout à l'heure, nous, avec Arthur, on a fait une double up et on a fait top 1. Voilà.
Après, c'est 1 sur 4.
Oui, allez. Allez.
Ah, mais merci, j'ai fait du double up. Mais tu fais toujours top 4 en double up.
Ah, pas toujours.
Oh, merci Captain Obvious.
Ah bah si.
Si,
Toi aussi.
en double up, le top 4 il est mandatory.
Quand il y a 4 joueurs, tu fais top 4 en général.
Alors, Romain, aujourd'hui, je travaille dans un bar pas loin du circuit. J'ai pas passé une bonne journée, sache-le.
Bah, tu sais que hier, je suis allé au concert parce que j'ai
Ouais.
un pote qui avait une place en trop. Oh, c'était le bordel.
Bah, hier, tu veux dire aujourd'hui? Oui, bah, oui, hier, parce qu'on a passé minuit. T'as été voir Théodora en concert?
Non.
Celui
Hier,
de vendredi?
vendredi, je te parle.
Je savais même pas qu'il y avait eu un concert vendredi.
Non, il y avait 40 000 connards, paqués à un seul endroit du circuit,
Bon, messieurs,
et c'était le
moi je,
zoo.
moi, je vais aller me coucher pour de vrai. Peut-être à demain.
Mais
Tu
non,
fais comme ta
Allez.
mère, tu te couches vite, toi?
Ouais, je me couche vite, je me couche vite.
pas aller dormir. Moins
C'est
tu
parce que
dors,
Allez.
moins
c'est
tu
parce
dors,
que
plus
tu
t'es fort.
c'est parce que tu sous-performes, Axel. Faut te
C'est
reprendre.
Ouais.
triste.
Ouais. Ouais.
Vas-y, à plus.
C'est
Allez, des
horrible que
bisous
tu restes
Noël.
là.
Ah, je reste pas,
C'est
je
fou,
reste
mais
pas.
Morsen, t'es un peu une merde si t'as personne pour te carry. Non, mais. Ça s'agirait de commencer à se calmer.
Ron Ranger, ce soir.
Non, c'est juste que t'es pas assez dans les petits tuyaux de l'Ares. Parce que vraiment, avec Noël, on n'arrête pas sur ça. Par contre, là, la game de Genesis premier degré, comment elle me casse les couilles.
Bah t'inquiète. En fait, vu comme c'est parti, ça veut dire que la ronde 6, on la voit pas. Enfin, la
Round
ronde 7, on la
7.
voit pas alors.
Oh.
Regarde là, ça commence. Ils vont mettre une deuxième game de Genesis. Et la ronde 7, on la voit pas.
Je veux pas lâcher le morceau non plus, Crocodile Junkie. C'est long et chiant.
Tu veux pas juste norme ton Oviraptor et arrêter de nous casser les couilles?
Oh là là. Ça part sur une nuit blanche et une toute brocante pour acheter du Pokémon au petit vieux. Ce dimanche, c'est déjà un classique. Allez. Allez, et lui, il est là, t'es toujours avec ses cartes Pokémon. Regardez-moi, j'ai de l'argent, je peux estorquer des enfants. Quand tu vas te
Non,
faire
c'est
braquer
vieux.
avec quand tu vas te faire braquer avec une calache, toi, on va plus te revoir. Hein. Pourquoi il a invoqué un Vanilla?
Parce qu'il faut summon un Vanilla avec Xeno.
Hein. Mais c'est bien vrai ça. Ah, vous avez pas le background, les gars. Vous avez pas cette
C'est un
private
background.
joke. Mais grosso modo, pour faire rapide, il y a eu une story de Broco qui rachetait des lots et des cartes Pokémon. Et peut-être il y a un monsieur, il l'a DM. Et sur sa pépé, il avait une calache. Et Broco être comme lui acheter des cartes ou ne pas lui acheter des cartes.
Quelle est la question?
Ma vie vaut-elle
Il
ce
vaut mieux pas
Vaperon
vivre.
X en shiny? Je pense que oui.
Tu as des cartes s'intéressent. J'ai une calache, ça t'intéresse? Hmm.
Alors, en plus... Ah putain, je sais pas si vous avez vu cette vidéo, mais je sais qu'elle circule un peu sur internet en ce moment. Où c'est une nana qui fait une interview dans une convention de TCG et elle va voir un mec qui vend des cartes Pokémon. Et la question qu'elle lui pose, c'est toi, tu penses que c'est quel Pokémon préféré rend cringe une personne? Et l'autre, il est là à dire
Oh là là.
ouais, moi je pense que les gens qui aiment Aquali, c'est tous des dégénérés et c'est tous des mecs qui ne savent absolument pas ce qu'ils font dans leur vie. Et vraiment, vous ne pouvez pas faire confiance à quelqu'un qui son Pokémon préféré, c'est Aquali. Et en plus de ça, il y a de fortes chances qu'il viole vos enfants. Et là, déjà, tu fais wow, frérot. Et là, la nana, elle lui dit c'est quoi tes Pokémon préférés? Et lui, il lui répond Gardevoir et l'évolution de la Poreille. Voilà, j'avais envie de
Oh
mourir.
merde. Oh merde, c'est pire. Oh merde, c'est pire. Comment ça peut être pire?
Ah, vraiment. Je n'en pouvais plus. Adulaide. Mais c'est pas une déviance. C'est un problème psychologique. Alors qu'un Stylix bien dur. Oh putain. Ah putain, ça fait longtemps que je t'avais pas vu le dino niveau 9 là. Avec le Aeolo.
Le dino niveau 9.
Oh, il a invoqué 6 balles.
6 balles 40. Nuance.
Ah, j'en ai mis une en vente à 5,50. J'ai fait, vas-y, faut que ça dégage.
Franchement, j'ai jamais autant aimé investir 7 euros. 7 euros investis, 250 obtenus. Let's go.
Ouais, ce qui me fait chier, c'est que pour l'instant, Aeolo il monte pas. Enfin, Megalo il monte pas.
Mégalo, il veut pas monter, mais t'inquiète, ça arrive.
Mais en plus, ce deck est trop drôle à jouer. Il a l'air Julo.
Souviens ta
Par contre-
point à qui c'est attendre.
Oui, si, Genesis ce week-end. Oh non, mais Genesis vraiment. Vivement le aéropage. Hein. Écoutez-moi bien. Hein. Et je vais passer 2 heures à cracher mon venin. Hein. Comme ça là. Oh le bâtard, il a Spellva. Ton board faire comme. Fouiche.
Alors le problème étant qu'il va le déclarer et qu'il va se faire negate. Mais
Il a
alors,
banni le tuc.
t'inquiète. Même si ça monte pas à 2-3 balles, si ça monte à 1 balle, déjà je fais un profit de fou furieux. Et pas besoin que ça monte à 2-3 balles. Hein. T'inquiète. Hein.
Ouais, ça monte à 50 centimes, ça me va. Hein. Même 1 euro. Juste 1 euro en fait.
1 euro, vraiment, déjà, je mange très bien. Ah oui, au pire, ça se buy out. Hein. Du genre, à côté de moi, il en reste 20. Et je dois en recevoir encore 70. Je les ai payés 2 centimes. Donc si ça monte à 1 balle, je signe où tu veux.
T'as fait plus combien? J'ai fait plus 5000%. Ah.
Je signe où tu veux.
Ah c'est bon frérot, là vas-y, lâche le morceau, laisse-toi tuer et on va regarder du vrai Yu-Gi-Oh!
Déjà, la synchro, je les ai payés 15 centimes, je crois, de les refourguer 6 balles. Bah, faire x50, je trouve que c'est un profit qui est plus que correct. Oh,
Putain,
t'inquiète.
j'ai remis des cartes en vente sur CM, genre...
Vraiment, quand je suis allé checker le prix et que j'ai vu Ralil et toi à la suite, vraiment, j'ai beaucoup rigolé. Et après, j'ai vu le truc dans Trash Talk avec marqué Merci Mathieu, on aime l'argent. J'ai fait Allez. Allez, ils sont partis, c'est bon, c'est fini.
Ma dernière vente, elle date de juin 2024. Voilà.
Non, mais Mathieu a les bons plans, hein. Mathieu, il joue un deck. Et nous, on prend l'argent.
Donc, quand Mathieu il trouve une decklist, les gars, le premier truc qu'on check, c'est CM. Hein. Le fond en plus. Tu fais quoi là? 10 centimes de moins, salopard! Non, flure! Actuellement, écoutez-moi bien, j'ai beaucoup de cartes en vente. Hein. J'en ai 13. Et tac.
Je viens voir les scrims.
C'est du sabotage.
T'inquiète, il y avait la DAC aussi qui était dans le truc. Il y avait tout. C'est nous qui sommes en train de gérer le prix du truc. Nous, on fait pas partie de la solution. On fait partie du problème.
Comment c'est long. Je peux mettre le direct en x2 s'il vous plaît?
Ah, je te dirais pas non, mais je crois que c'est pas fonctionnel.
Oh là là. Bon, c'est bon, il le bute là ou.
J'adore, j'en parlerai à ma direction.
Non, bébé, trou noir. Bah c'est bon. Il l'a tué. Bravo. Donnez-nous la round maintenant.
T'inquiète. La dernière fois, il y en a eu un deuxième du coup.
Merci. Billy Break.
And we've made it to the 7th round of Swiss, right?
7 rounds.
Wow, can't believe 6 are already in the books, and you're getting more Yu-Gi-Oh action than you're used to. We have these awesome finals from the Yu-Gi-Oh Genesis public events that are going on, these invitationals that are going to feed into that tournament tomorrow that you guys have been able to watch in between these Swiss rounds have been absolutely fantastic. But
Je refuse de croire que Billy Break est en train de se branler sur le Genesis.
Good records and be able to make it back to day number 2 before we crown a champion. And let's not hold it back. We're waiting. We're ready for this match. I know Jackie is standing with our players to the next round. So go ahead and take it away, Jackie, and let's meet our round 7 feature match duelists.
Oh, you know it. Let's start with the blue chair. Hailing from Los Angeles, California, we have Matthew Bradley. This is his 6th YCS and his first time on stage. Now to the red chair, coming from Alhambra, California, we have Kai Zhang and Arius, the Labyrinth Butler cosplay, of course. The tail is new hairstyle too, and bringing the tea, I see. It's time to duel. Casters, take it away.
J'en peux plus de voir sa gueule avec
Thank
ses
you
petites
so
boucles de
much,
con.
Jackie. That's right, it's Kai. You've seen him.
On peut remettre du Genesis si vous voulez.
Alors, on parlait de trucs de dégénérés tout à l'heure, et ben voilà, labyrinthe. Axel, peux-tu nous raconter ton expérience avec les joueurs labyrinthe?
Je la raconte beaucoup trop souvent, cette anecdote. Oh merde. Au moins ça joue bien Lab. Bah ouais, regarde, il a pioché Cooklock et Arias. Hop.
C'est bizarre, mais je crois que ça me rappelle quelque chose, genre mon event de Angers.
Do you like Equation?
After this last Forbidden Limited list, Brandon Fusion went to 2, and now it's really seemed like a lot of those Draco Tail players are gravitating towards that deck because they have that second copy of Brandon Fusion and how well the Draco Tail.
En vrai, Draco Tail Bandit, c'est vraiment bien. Le deck, il a l'air trop smooth à jouer.
have so many players bring
Ouais,
that
enfin, moi, je l'ai
strategy.
joué.
But no matter the format,
Ça
no
puait
matter
sa
the
mère.
Forbidden
Ensuite,
Unlimited
j'ai joué
list,
comme
we know
Gallagher qui le
Kai is
jouait.
on
Et
that
il a open
Labyrinth
brandé de
deck.
fusion à toutes
I
les
know
mains.
you're also a fan of Labyrinth, Mike. So tell me, what are the advantages to playing Labyrinth
Mais
in a
meilleur.
meta like the one we're in right now?
Ouais, mais moi, il n'y avait pas Ash Blossom dans mon deck.
Very
Donc
easy
là, c'était un autre
access
problème.
to normal trap cards. So when there's a particularly powerful normal trap card in the metagame,
Parce qu'il issue
Labyrinth
au
decks
Ouais,
have an
je suis assez d'accord.
opportunity to really shine.
Bah, le skill issue, il faut
And
aller se faire
in this
enculer quand
particular
même.
metagame, Dimensional
Ouais.
Barrier is exceptionally strong.
Never punished.
Yep, definitely.
So the deck's easy access to Dimensional Barrier will allow it to overcome a lot of the top meta decks, one of which probably is the Draco Tail deck, which relies on fusion summons. So if Kai can
Je
bring
viens d'entendre
set
Thunder Dragon
Dimensional
qui va faire
Barrier
Colossus.
early,
là.
as early as his first turn or even on his opponent's first turn, he'll be able to activate it, declaring fusion in response to a fusion effect, and cut off his opponent from actually making any effective plays. So Labyrinth does have that going
Il soit
for
avec
it.
du canine
And,
comme tonton Jeff.
That makes it kind of a
Ah ouais,
timeless deck.
c'est vrai que
that there
on
are,
a
there
vu
are
Jeff-
always
on a
good
vu
normal
Jeff-
strap cards.
Jeff Jones
and
tout à l'heure.
Labyrinth
Jeff Jones.
seems to have the best
Ouais.
access to those
Alors tu
cards.
peux l'appeler
Et
Dieu,
as
tu
the
gagneras
metagame
du temps
changes,
dans la
Ouais,
prononciation.
non, il a fait le bridge
Normal
canine
trap cards you think are
vers
best
Mitsu le
to
plus
use,
dégueulasse de
and
l'histoire.
just update your Labyrinth strategy with those cards
Ça reste
to
papa.
try to overcome the metagame.
Laisse
Yeah,
papa
I think
tranquille.
that's very well said. You brought it like a lot of the points that I would have also brought
C'est
up.
vraiment
The
le seul
fact that,
joueur
yeah,
auprès de
the
qui je pourrais
traps,
être une
even though
groupie.
you're playing the same strategy,
Vraiment.
the traps can change because you have that accessibility
Il est
to be able
3 heures
to
du
grab
mat,
those
personne
traps,
n'entendra
not only
ça.
from your graveyard, but from your deck as
Ouais,
well.
on est
It's
11, hein.
absolutely incredible. And yeah, Dimensional Barrier, a huge one.
Yeah, and it wasn't too long ago that Dimensional Barrier was actually risky to play in the main deck because Malice was so popular and you couldn't do anything about their Link summons by using it. So as the metagame changes, so do the traps.
Definitely. And now we're gonna
Du
see
coup,
it's
comment
starting
il a
to get off
bridge
pretty well for
canine
him
vers
so far.
Mitsu?
As we said, this is round number
Il a tuto une
7.
brique.
So both these duels are
Et ensuite,
sitting
il
at
a fait la lien 2
record. 5 wins, 1
qui
loss.
révèle un
Not an
rituel
easy
pour,
feat, but both looking at that day 2.
pour tuto un
Even if they
rituel qui a
lose
pas
here,
le même type slash
then,
attribut.
day 2, they just have to. They can have 2 losses and still make it to day 2.
Il a tuto le magique immonde qui est une brique
Oh.
infâme.
Here in this matchup.
Parce qu'il est machine terre.
Kai went all out here. He has the Lady Labyrinth
Oh.
sleeves, the
Le judge il a
Ariana.
soupiré, c'était trop drôle.
He is the Labyrinth. Like, if you think about Labyrinth, this is probably who pops in your mind when you think about a Labyrinth duelist. I don't think you get more Labyrinth than Kai.
Yeah, and he has consistently played this deck. And there is something good about picking a deck and playing it as best you can and being so good at the deck
Mais range ta queue, mon ref.
rather than continuously picking up
Et
new decks.
ouais, c'est vrai.
Definitely, there's definitely a huge
Non, mais
advantage. Comfort
mais
is key, as we
sortez-moi de
say.
là.
Let's jump
J'en
into it.
peux
It's
plus,
game
la
number 1 of
communauté.
round 7. Kai is
Aidez-nous.
going to take on Matthew.
I-
3. Your choice. I'll attempt to go first. Good to start.
He only rolled a 3, which is really
Hey, good luck,
unfortunate
man.
because
Good luck, my friend.
Labyrinth is at a tremendous advantage when it gets to go first.
Yeah, that is step 1, really, when you're playing any sort of trap-based strategy. Even though there are like tools you can draw alongside trap cards to activate the trap cards turn 1, like the character, the card that he is dressed up as. But
Oh
it's a lot
putain,
better
j'ai
to go
horreur
first.
quand il fait ça.
You see Kai here kind of giving the fans at home. a
Ouais,
poke
c'est
in
vrai
his
qu'il
hand.
monte sa
That's kind
main à
of
la
interesting.
cam, j'en
Didn't
peux
look too
plus.
strong, what I could see.
Fermez-le.
Maybe there's Koalos in it?
Almost on the move.
He's going to need
You're good.
something here
But-
as Matthew starts things off with Draco Tail Malulu, and he does have that Mulcharmy Fuwalos.
It is a Koalos, but then he has 3 monsters and an extravagance in his hand. So
J'avais
I
pas
don't
lu
think
le
he
message
has
de
a way to
Active.
get any trap
Et
cards
derrière les trucs
face
habituels,
down ready.
Reaper, plus Releaser, Sergio Jack, Cat,
Alright,
monte
Malulu's
ta
gonna
main,
use
monte
the
ta
effect
daronne,
to
etc.
summon Draco Tail Urgula and
let
the
me
brand
go.
new
Oh, yeah.
Draco Tail out of Doom of Dimensions.
On l'a vu, fils de pute. Oh.
And then 2, 3. Yeah.
He's gonna summon Draco Tail Fusion.
Je sais
Like,
pas
Draco
si
Tail Frixel is a nice addition.
la
to the
daronne de
deck.
Noël importante aussi,
Definitely
quand
is.
même.
We've seen this time and time again today. Draco Tail has been a very popular strategy.
Oh, ça,
And as the
hop
Draco Tails
là.
are sent to the graveyard for fusion materials, this is where they shine, able Matthew to access the Draco Tail spells and traps from the deck and put them right on the field, so you can get traps to use during your opponent's turn, as well as spell cards you can activate right away. And he's going to also use Artillion's effect to add back cards from the graveyard equal to the number of cards he used from his hand for that fusion summon, in which case this was 2, so they just go right back. Next up, it's going to be the Ketu Draco Tail, which is just going to be able to add Draco Tail Fine Mana from the deck to the hand.
That card was recently set by the effect of one of the fusion materials.
Oh la vie de ma mère, je lui mets un coup de boule. Je me lève, je lui mets un coup de boule.
Je sais pas si, je sais pas ce qui est le pire, son cosplay ou sa tenue à la table. Genre,
Non, mais
je sais
vraiment,
pas lequel des deux me perturbe le plus, genre.
Qu'il fasse un cosplay, pff, m'en beurre, tu vois. Genre vraiment, je m'en beurre.
Mais être son adversaire, je pense que je vrille, genre.
Ah ouais.
Frame 1, je lui mets une patate.
Mais je pense qu'il t'attrape au mental, lui. Il te met un coup de haki des rois, mais pas dans le bon sens.
All my Labyrinth cards are German. Would you please?
He needs a fiend on his field in order to be able to activate a trap card the turn it was set now.
It's funny, I know the card text
translation.
verbatim.
Sounds like Kai is using German copies of Labyrinth Monsters, so
Ta mère, arrête de jouer avec tes cartes, pose-les, range tes mains, fais un truc, j'en peux plus.
Il joue avec des cartes en allemand.
Oui, parce que c'est des cartes U, du coup elles ont pas la même couleur que les trucs américains, du coup ils sont contents.
Well, he has a second full hollows.
No.
gonna send that to the graveyard alongside the
Il est
Shaker Leer
nul.
to set big welcome labyrinth onto the field.
Je joue pas des cartes
Il
en
va se
allemand.
faire Big welcome T0, genre.
Big welcome.
Il est en train de rentrer dans vos têtes alors que vous êtes pas sur la table, il est terrifiant à jouer. Ah bah un point commun avec Axel. Lui aussi il aime quand c'est rose et en allemand. Allez. Tu dis ça parce que je connais le nom. Le nom de Derkanby en allemand. Escanur einen Giben.
Alors ça, le problème de base, c'est pas ça. Le problème de base, c'est que tu connaisses le nom de Derkanby tout court, genre. On s'en fout de la langue. Tant que c'est pas français ou anglais.
Il remonte sa main une fois à la caméra. Je missionne quelqu'un là-bas pour aller lui péter le bras. C'est clair ou pas?
T'inquiète, on va envoyer un message à Vala pour aller le récupérer à la sortie du stream.
Labyrinth decks are not very reliant on their extra deck, so Pot of Extravagance works pretty well.
Yeah, the only one you really want to keep is maybe something like Chaos Angel, so we have 3 of those in there and hope that it stays.
Ah, c'est peu d'extra.
Chaos Angel and Typhon, who's,
Typhon
who's
too.
conveniently a fiend.
2 more cards and Kai's trying
Pétez-lui le bras. C'est bon, il va se faire.
Alternatif. Frère, pétez-lui les jambes. Je vous en conjure, aidez-nous. Help me.
You don't want to use too much time.
Alors t'as juste à shuffle ta main un peu plus en avant.
Very, very true, but now he has the big welcome in the graveyard that he can use. He can only use the effect during.
Active-le, Alex.
True, but he will need a level 8 or higher feed in order to return an opponent's monster to the extra decker hand. But he starts with a normal summon Ariana here. So that lets him get a Labyrinth card. So usually resolving that is pretty good.
Arias, the Labyrinth Butler.
Oh, he starts for himself.
That's me, by the way.
Yeah, he has to let his opponent know that that is him indeed. The card he is dressed up as is Arias, the Labyrinth Butler, and he's going to use the effect right away to set a trap card and be able to use it right away.
Or summon a Labyrinth monster. Yeah, he discards for class. Okay. Okay, good. Yep.
See how he decides to navigate
And you can
this.
set a Labyrinth trap, not any
He's
trap,
got a
right?
couple
No, I
monsters
said
on
any
the
trap.
field.
Oh,
Normal
any trap
summon
by
has been
discard.
spent.
That's right.
Looks like he's going to use the extra deck, send away the coup clock to link summon Relinquish Anima.
Yeah, he didn't use Welcome Labyrinth, so he's not fiend locked, so he can't do that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you're good. Do you have anything on the summon of Anima? Yeah,
Once you start using Welcome Labyrinth, it becomes tough to
Pauvre
summon
Mathieu.
Anima because it's a spellcaster.
I can see that being the
Il avait
case.
rien demandé.
But it looks like now Matthew's decided to use the interaction from hand here, and Drake Gotel find Mena to try and conduct a fusion summon during Kai's turn. He's going to fuse away the
la Flux.
Aphelion and the Frixel for a copy of.
Avec dans un genre, il fait
Udamel.
On mange l'active, il saute sur le main
Now he's
stage.
used the effect of Pixel since it was used as a material.
Be able to set a Draco Tell.
Gargamel.
Chain Lulu?
And he's going to chain Malulu to try and conduct a fusion summon
Et en fait, dans
again.
cette histoire, c'est quand même que vu qu'il est pas en X0, c'est-à-dire qu'ils sont allés le
Try
chercher dans les
Chain
pairings
Arius'
pour le
effect now
trouver
to
lui
special summon it,
précisément,
since
genre.
his Labyrinth effect is chained too.
Big welcome Labyrinth targeting Ariana to bounce
So
that.
he's going to chain the big welcome to return his own Ariana back to the hand.
I think he wants to chain block the Gulamel's effect from activating.
I'm sure we were
That's
talking
all
about
it
that
does.
kind
Yeah,
of
that's all it
beforehand.
does.
How
Yeah,
like
good. Makes
it
sense.
works similar to
Yeah.
the Welcome Labyrinths that it has to be directly chained to a Draco Tail effect activating. So if you do have something in
And then
response,
these can
you
activate
can
to special.
block that effect.
Yeah, so, yeah.
This one doesn't special.
You can block that effect from triggering right away.
Yeah, so I think that's why he's
When
going
does
to
it-
use
when
the
does
big
it add
welcome
back to hand?
here.
Now?
When a monster leaves the field by trap.
Okay.
Not now.
Okay. Chain Sting.
Targets.
All right, looks like Matthew has a chain here. He's going to target.
Yeah, and then I'll
Use Draco
chain
Tail
Arias
Sting to try and banish.
It does if this card's in the grave, it
Couple
summons
cards.
out if you discard in response to a labyrinth card.
So he could do that now.
This is a big chain link, so it was gonna be chain link 1, chain link 2, chain link 3,
4.
Oh no, 3, and then I think I did big
Big
welcome
welcome.
target, and then 4 target. Oh sorry, I'm gonna move these two.
Making sure they know
And I
their
did
chain.
5 Aria.
I think Arius is 6, no?
So we're good, right? Do you have a response?
No response. To
As long as they resolve
Okay,
everything
that's
correctly,
resolved.
the numbers don't
Okay.
really matter.
Yeah, as
But-
long as it's the last thing to activate.
Yeah, but since the Arius is last,
Is it okay
Gulamel
if I-
doesn't get
if
a
you shuffle and then
chance
we'll
to
draw
use
one?
its effect.
Sure.
Yeah.
I
You
don't-
said Rahu, right? Yeah.
Last turn. But okay.
Yeah, it's better if we randomize it.
Sure.
What? Yeah, go ahead. And then you
Oui.
pull it back and then all cut and
Active
then.
des effets de cartes au cimetière, ton adversaire.
All right, so Sting's going to put a card on the bottom there. Matthew's going to draw a
Y'a rien à
fresh
commenter, hein.
card.
Yes.
C'est juste
Then the
chier.
chain has to continue resolving.
On se fait chier. C'est exactement ça.
Malulu is going to fusion summon using two
Dis-toi que t'as
cards
joué
from
ce
the
deck,
hand
Axel,
and
hein, quand même.
himself on
hein.
the field
Imagine. hein.
to make another copy
Ouais, mais
of
moi je l'ai joué de
Draco Tail.
façon beaucoup plus
So
interactive. Il y avait 9
Ouais.
floodgate main deck et 9 floodgate en sari. C'est beaucoup plus interactif.
Bounce Ariana. And then
Ouais, une fois qu'elles sont retournées, l'interaction.
And then
ouais.
set the.
Mais oui, non mais,
Mineur,
enfin,
ouais.
moi tu vois, je pense à mes adversaires. Genre, pas besoin de faire des chaînes 12, 13, 75. Juste,
Simplifier le game state.
C'est ça.
That's how this whole chain link got started.
Oh no, it's Frixel. You have to resolve Frixel.
So he
J'ai
can
retourné
use
une
the
carte,
Arius
il y a marqué
effect.
j'ai gagné, j'ai gagné.
Pour retourner 2 déjà.
Il se fait
I
enfoncer.
tried playing it. I was like doing really bad. Yeah.
Je flippe ce mode skill.
Okay,
That's the key to.
whole new chain now.
Oui.
My one trigger. I'm sorry. What did you fuse with? It was a Droll Lockbird and the
Malulu.
Chain link 1.
Putain, je vais devoir jouer trop Draco à Dortmund.
Oh, because the Arius was discarded.
And then that's it.
Okay.
Going to try and activate the coup clock effect. Arthelion was fusion summoned in this case, so it's going to be able
T'inquiète,
to
il y a du support.
return 2 cards
Pour Abrit.
since she used 2
Avec
cards
du
out of
support.
the hand. It looks
Oui,
like she's
monsieur.
using Frixel and the Ghost Bell to go
Et il est
back to his
content.
own
Il a
hand.
flip skill drain, ruiné la journée de son adversaire et il est content. Oui.
Chain link 4.
Alors, il a pas juste flip skill drain.
Malulu was sent
Il a
to the
flip skill
graveyard,
drain,
so it can negate a
Zerkandi,
monster effect
Gozan.
from the field. The Arthelion saw 2 monsters in the grave at the same time, so it can special summon back. And now
Et les choses
Kai
bien
can
où on les
use
fait
that
pas, tu
barrier
vois.
that he just set thanks to the effect of Arius, the Labyrinth Butler, to call fusions and make sure that Arthelion stays in the
T'arrives à
graveyard.
Dortmund, ton
Arthelion
deck
on the
full
field
FR,
is
les mecs vont te
instigated.
demander les trades
So,
no blue
the only thing that really
Allemagne.
happens is the Malulu is going to negate a non-effect that doesn't really make much of a difference. And he does get to still set a Speller Trap from the Arugula, I think, that was sent also. in the
Oh,
fusion
le
material.
no hablo Allemagne.
There's a lot of stuff going on with this Draco Tail deck here in game number 1, and
Oh.
Kai's on top of it all, you know.
Both of these decks are pretty good at building chains.
Definitely. I mean, that's I mean, plenty of cards that can be activated. Lots of interaction and fun here to be had in round number 7.
And you did all 3 right? Oh no, it's just these
Just 2.
two. And then this doesn't resolve.
Correct.
Yeah, it resolves without effect. And then I'm the first one, so this is the last in the chain link.
Yeah.
I'll choose to add it back to the hand.
So he adds it to his hand.
You win in.
Yeah, I win it.
Are we going to see?
Les ancêtres sont fiers. À tous ces ancêtres qui se flippent dans leur tombe à chaque fois qu'ils
We're
retournent.
going to see a little Knight maybe
Okay,
in the
so
type
this goes to the graveyard.
Il flip summon ses ancêtres.
Whole new
Ses
chain
ancêtres.
link.
Bien joué.
Okay.
Whole new
Activate
chain.
coup clock, letting me use a trap that's set
Oh.
this turn while I control a
He
Labyrinth
hasn't used the
monster.
coup clock on his own
And
turn
he has
yet.
Trap Trick in his hand.
I'll activate Trap Trick, letting me banish a trap from deck, and I can set a copy of the same copy.
Also, he has a lot he can do.
Yeah, I just love how many trap cards he's used and like it hasn't been like the end of his first turn yet. He used traps on Matthew's turn.
H
now he's
plus
using more traps
somme.
on his turn thanks to Marius.
For
The
what?
trap trick also is going to allow him to
Welcome
activate a trap card as well. Going to banish a welcome labyrinth to set a welcome labyrinth.
So
and
I.
then it's going to be. Sorry.
So he gets the welcome. I assume he's going to want Lady to set down the dimensional barrier again.
Y a plus qu'il faut.
Summon in this zone, please. No, I'm just kidding. Let me see my graveyard.
Oh, I also don't know exactly what he lost with Pot of
We'll
Extravagance.
go
Yeah, there's
C'est
an
de la
uncertain gonna be
merde.
3 copies of
welcome
a
labyrinth
certain
to summon
card.
from the deck. Yep.
There's a lovely labyrinth.
Lovely labyrinth.
All right, getting more members of this labyrinth onto
We'll go
the
lovely
field.
target dimensional barrier to set back to the field.
Going to use the effect to reset that dimensional barrier that he used, so he'll also have it on Matthew's
Repose
turn. 'Cause he knows
barrière
he has that
dim parce
plethora
qu'on veut
of
de
spell and trap set
l'interaction.
thanks to all those Draco Tail
Oui,
monsters
mais,
that are in the graveyard. As fusion
La
materials,
barrière Dim, elle va
so
prendre Flame, ça va être réglé. Genre, ça va être trop drôle.
Alors, Flame, c'est pour les magies, Axel.
Passing up the order. Yeah, thank you.
La barrière Dim, c'est quoi, enculé?
Une
looks
piège.
like he's looking at Muck
Ça marche que pour les magies, Flame?
Yeah, I don't see
Oui.
Will Knight is actually-
Oh, c'est nul.
Muckracker of the Underworld.
Actually, ça marche pas. Merci, Broco.
Arias.
Attendez, je suis en train d'apprendre un truc là.
Oh là là.
Absolute
Ça
jack-jack.
marche vraiment que pour les magies? Non, vous,
Oui, oui, c'est
vous
que pour
foutez
les
de ma
magies,
gueule.
Il faut qu'elle reste face-up, la magie. Genre, non, non, c'est gaze as fuck.
Non,
Enfin, dès
un-
qu'il y a 0 magie dans son deck, ça pue la merde.
Ah ouais. C'est une spell. Oh, comment c'est nul.
Oh.
Il remonte une fois sa main. Je te jure, je me TP là-bas. Je le fracasse à coups de batte de baseball. Et je lui fais ça, c'est de l'interaction sociale depuis 1967, enculé.
Does he have a way to
La
check
batte de
this?
baseball, génératrice d'alliance sociale depuis 1967. Aïe.
C'est une folie, c'est ça votre capitaine. Ah, c'est pas pour mon niveau de jeu qu'ils m'ont pris en tant que capitaine.
Well, he has the no, he used the welcome already.
Alors, je crois que ça a fonctionné dans l'autre sens. Mais après, c'est peut-être moins.
Alright, looks like the Lovely is going to attack over the Gulamel, taking it down.
Les refs Antoine Daniel en 2025.
2025, bah oui.
Oh.
C'est intemporel.
I think it was just to get the backjack into the graveyard.
I guess so.
And then he just got a little unlucky there, not finding a trap. Just trying to get another layer of interaction if the dimensional barrier is not enough. And then last action, he's going to be able to put Typhon on the monster with the highest attack points on his side of the field to send that fusion back to the extra deck. And now Kai is going to have to rely on using that same dimensional barrier that he set again on
Il
Matthew's
fait
turn. Will it
Horn sur Arias, il explose. Parce que sa barrière dim elle va être là. Beau, je peux pas l'activer.
It can reset itself. Not the same turn that you use the effect on field, but it's something he's going to be looking to do.
Yeah, it's only that copy that can't use it the same turn.
Oh, so if you have two,
Yeah, if you have two,
still
you can.
Oh,
But he
that's-
banished one and only has one in the grave.
I will pass my turn.
I don't think I even realized it was just that specific
Yeah.
copy. That's pretty cool.
Comes up every so often.
Oh, for sure. I can imagine.
Mhm.
All right, play back to Matthew now. He's going to draw for his turn. He knows he's facing down the dimensional barrier.
Ouais, c'est un film de merde.
And it looks like not sure what effect he activated.
One of them has an effect that returns another to the deck, and I think draws a card.
Oh, it's Arugula.
Is Arugula has that effect?
Chaîne barrière dim, tu as
Yep,
perdu.
targets is the spellcaster Draco Tail.
Oh,
Puts it back
adds
on
the
deck.
other to the hand.
Activate Ketu.
No response.
All right, Ketu is going to be activated. Dimensional barriers called fusions. So Matthew's going to have to find a way to navigate this without any fusion monsters. And typically,
Interaction sociale.
the Draco Tail deck is usually 13 to 15 fusion
Yeah.
monsters.
I don't know, how much he can do without
Je sais
fusion.
pas c'est quoi le pire.
He's not gonna give up just yet. He's gonna normal summon Lucius.
Ça ou du
C'est
Genesis.
Mimic ou son deck de con
Time
alors?
running down here in game number 1.
Kai might have a problem
Franchement,
too,
entre ça et
because
du
he doesn't have an
Genesis, ça
immediate
se tape
way to
aussi,
loop
ouais.
that dimensional barrier. Because the trap card in
La
his
vérité,
hand
je suis en train de
is
m'endormir.
way to turn to
Yeah,
act.
this
And
is
he
way
knows the top cards of his deck thanks to
That's
the
what I checked
backjack
for first.
too.
Yeah.
Because he's not able to
man.
reset the welcome labyrinth unless a monster leaves the
32
field by a trap, right? So
Oh, vraiment, on se fait chier. Hein.
he does have
Ah
the
ouais, non,
Muckraker to bring
on
back
se
the
chie comme
lady,
des rats morts. Hein.
Is
potentially.
that Muckraker going to survive the turn?
I know it has like some built-in protection, but I don't know if it's for itself or just for other fiend monsters as well.
Let's check that.
And now a Typhon coming down here from Matthew.
Oh, he
Yes.
has his own Typhon.
Gonna summon that in
On
the
veut
extra
tous.
monster zone. So as I mentioned, usually 13 to 15, but
Malheureusement, on ne
at
peut
least
pas
one of those
t'aider, parce
cards
que nous
in
sommes pris au
Matthew's
piège
extra
au
deck is
même endroit.
Typhon. And even against like a
Il
strategy
remet
that
le
doesn't normally
Typhon dans
summon too many times from the extra deck, thanks to the relinquished
Typhoon
Anima and
remet
Muckraker being
Typhoon
summoned,
remet. Non, mais.
Typhon was turned online.
Mais je regarde quoi
Muckraker,
là?
I believe, can protect itself by tributing a fiend. So
Arias effect to summon from hand or set a trap.
Gonna activate Arius.
So he can
Send
discard
from
something,
the
he can
hand
also
or
tribute
field.
himself.
Yeah, it's from field or hand.
Je vais voir pour.
Got it.
Ouais, voici.
Yeah,
Pour être pris en otage, ouais.
in the main
Ariana,
phase and
Chainlink
summon
one
the
Ariana effect to search for a
Ariana.
labyrinth card.
No response.
All right, and you know he's pretty safe. He's locked. Not only did Matthew lock out of fusions, he's locked
Vraiment,
out of summoning
Romain,
in
je vais pas te
general,
mentir,
thanks
je
to
suis à
Typhon.
2 doigts, mais vraiment 2
Sometimes
doigts
it's nice to see
de cut
Typhon,
le stream.
right?
At
Because you
least
know
now
at
it's their
least
last
Ah ouais, non, mais
at
là,
least they're done.
il m'a fatigué le
No more
lapin.
monsters will be summoned to the field.
It's the one
And
that
the
was,
Ariana's
Oui.
gonna
earlier.
add
It's
the
discard the card
Chandelier
from
from the
hand
deck to the
to
hand.
set a labyrinth spell or trap. It's a Ketu.
So he's getting Shrink Draggler, but he doesn't even have a card to discard.
So it
Yeah,
needs
it won't
another
be
one.
as
Non, mais
If he had a
I have
card
to
to
discard a card
T'as
from hand.
taqué.
if he had a card to discard, he could also bring back the Claw.
But
Bien ok,
apparently it's
histoire qu'on
shuffled,
puisse tous aller deux
so he
Romain.
knows those top 3 cards that he has are no longer there on top of his
That
deck.
is true. It did shuffle his deck.
Écoute-moi bien, s'il le one-shot pas au prochain tour,
Doesn't
je
look
cut
like
le
he's
stream.
trying to jack
C'est bon?
immediately. He's also not protecting the
De
Muckraker.
qui one-shot pas qui?
Oh, un des deux, rien à foutre.
End phase, I'll go,
Mais aucun des deux va buter l'autre.
backtrack
Il y en a un qui va
blind
reloop
and
une barrière et l'autre
top
qui,
card do you want to cover now?
qui pourra juste pas le tuer,
I
genre.
think he just cut, didn't he? No.
I don't
Either
know.
way.
But
You do
he's,
the
he's
honors.
doing it now.
Flip the top card, excavate it.
Il va pas le one-shot, genre.
Okay, nice
Oh,
hit.
Ariana.
Draw for turn.
He was letting his opponent do it for him to see if he could
in
get
draw phase?
something good.
Pourquoi tu nous
Unfortunately,
fais
it
ça?
was just another
Discard to set a
monster.
labyrinth spell or trap
He
from hand.
drew another copy of Arius. He's going to send that to the graveyard alongside the Labyrinth Chandelier.
Ça va finir en double loss, cette merde.
It's not the worst thing
Ah,
because
je t'en
he can
conjure,
actually
comme ça
set
il
big welcome
dégage,
and
on le
bring-
revoit
well,
plus
Yeah,
jamais.
he can
genre.
set big welcome and return Kuvok to the hand. I thought
Big
for a
Wolf.
second that Matthew may have.
Ah
had,
merde.
Chainlink one,
Il a posé Big Welcome.
summon out the card.
the effect that would have returned.
Oh.
It's this one.
Yep, so the Q clock, yeah, it activates since he sends the Labyrinth card to the graveyard. Special summon, as you mentioned.
Aidez-nous. Que Dieu nous
Yeah,
vienne
so
en
this might be
aide.
what he needs
Je
if
crois
there's
pas en
not
Dieu, mais j'en ai
another
rien à
Draco
foutre.
Tail color trap set that's going to give
Je suis
him
au
issues.
bout.
That's the big if. He needs to resolve everything he's playing in order to really get back in this game.
He needs the Q clock to come back, right?
Summon, then bounce.
Oh, he's
well,
gonna
he just,
summon.
yeah, he just used it, but once
Oh,
that
oh,
resolves.
he added it back to
Oh
his hand, right?
merde.
Yeah, so when he summons and returns Ariana to his hand, he'll then be able to normal. He'll get Shin Draglier.
Look at me. I'm gonna pull down again this fucking dimensional barrier. Oh.
Correct. So he'll, if that's the card.
Because
he's
Un,
And
deux,
hopefully we'll
trois,
see
8.
again if it survives. Yeah.
And the welcome also triggers
Féminin, tu ne peux pas répondre aux effets de labyrinthe.
The labyrinth strategy is already online.
I'm gonna
A lot
do it
can
because
happen.
I
You
can.
see how it's just that one ad of that one Chandelier really
two,
impacting
four,
things?
six.
It looked like Kai had no cards, but now he's onto a
There's no
full
way, right?
field. He's gonna
Il
destroy
a
a card out of
touché
the hand.
Mululu.
But it's gonna be Dracotel Mululu going to the graveyard.
Proceed to main phase. Yep. Chainlink one effect target dimensional barrier.
All right, he's gonna try and reset that dimensional barrier, trying to ruin Matthew here.
It's back again.
No response.
But they gotta consider time. They've been playing
Normal summon Ariana effect
decently
search for a labyrinth
quickly,
card.
but
Yep.
something's gotta give here in this first game. The normal summon Ariana.
Il va faire une fusion avec Veilor et Typhon, t'inquiète. Ah non.
works against it.
Yeah, so the new time rules definitely do work against it. He's going to get Lady Labyrinth, even though he can't
Oh, I'm
use
so
its
sorry.
effect with Typhon out.
So awkward.
vraiment, vraiment à deux doigts d'appeler mon idole pour qu'il puisse nous coacher. Hein.
Tu peux appeler Jeff Jones.
Ouais, Jeff
It's
Jones.
not worth it to trigger Typhon because he can ban a big monster to the extra deck and then trigger the Lady Labyrinth effect.
Jeanne, au secours.
All these trap cards. He has the
Sorry,
barrier
love
as well.
Love Labyrinth. I know they're the same.
Attends, attends, je vais faire mourir Broco de rire.
They're different cards.
Attends.
Someone around here dressed up as
Je vais lui envoyer un DM et je vais le faire exploser.
saw them walking around earlier.
Comme
Looks
Mehdi.
like- yeah, the big welcome
Non,
to
mais
the
non,
Arcade
ça on
Deck.
évite.
We see them on the
Ça,
field. There's a
ça on
river
évite.
Now he,
Yeah,
yeah,
so
now
draw, destroy card. Yep.
So he gets to
I'll
draw
choose
for the
hand.
Ariana, destroy a card from the Lovely, going after the hand again. It's going to be the same
It's 5 and 6,
one.
yeah.
This time it's going to be Arugula.
9 mana unknown.
You know, going after hand makes a lot of sense
And,
because
draw
Draco Tails
card.
need
Would you
those
like to try
materials to fusion summon
I think
with.
you should, yeah, I search
He
draw.
has the dimensional
Draw,
barrier
yeah.
too.
and he knows the back row cards are not too effective.
I
because
will
he
choose
didn't use them last turn.
Indeed. Looks like he drew a copy of Destructive Daruma.
J'avais dit que je le ferais exploser de rire.
Summon a monster.
And now he's going to special Lady from the hand since the Typhon's no longer on the field.
Well, he actually did
Mais
that.
Scoop, Scoop ta grand-mère.
It's the drawn summon.
That's right, that's right. And now he's going to discard, the Karma Cannon to set another copy of Big Welcome Labyrinth. Matthew might need to be considered about conceding here. Already half of the time is done in this first game.
I think he should concede at this point.
The barrier's
passe
never
toute
going to
sa
stop being
grand-mère.
reset every single turn.
Unless you think you see you win without fusion summoning this game,
Welcome to
I don't
Silver
think
Deck.
it's worth continuing.
Chain to set a
And
trap.
time is running out. But Kai can't make him concede.
We should go to next, yeah.
Yep, no, he
Alright.
La Scoop.
maybe like 5
Mais
points on
non.
that game by conceding just slightly earlier. Like I think as soon as you see like
25
Kai going
minutes
and getting everything
de
circulating in that
souffrance.
previous turn, the writing was kind of on the
Une
wall.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's something you
Exactly, yeah, yeah, yeah.
to like really kind of learn and incorporate into your games. You have to know
Oh
when to
merde.
concede, because that could really make or break
Oh,
you
à la
in a
fin de
tournament
cette
if you
ronde,
have those extra
ça
5
va aller
minutes.
dormir
And
en
the time
légende.
kind of adds up every time
Eh,
you think
regarde,
all your
tu sais
decisions
quoi?
are
Je vais faciliter la vie de tout le monde. Le chat, c'était un honneur d'être avec vous ce soir. Mais là, je remette pas une game de Sméo, moi. Moi,
Mais
je
la
m'arrête
brante, nique ta mère. Voilà,
C'est-
c'est comme ça la vie.
Vraiment, les gars, il est 3h30 du Sbar. Moi, j'ai pas signé pour ça. Moi, je m'en vais là-dessus. Je vous souhaite à tous une très bonne soirée. On se retrouve demain pour la suite de Anaheim. Merci Romain d'avoir été avec nous. Et ciao Kombucha
là
à
là.
tout le monde.
Allez,
La
ciao.
baisse.